এইটো নাই ইয়াত। লিষ্টখন নাই আগৰ এটা সাপ্লিমেন্টারি লিষ্টখন কি করবো ইয়ার বাদে বলি দেখা এখন দিয়ে দেবো। Yes, so submitting 40, yes, 40.
Item number 40, my lord, last item of today's hearing list, my lord. My lord, possibly the case diary is not here as informed by my learned friend. So, my lord, as per his convenience, my lord, with the up-to-date CD and the
We need the case diary here or
case diary, my lord.
Yes.
There's already earlier orders that was called for, possibly because of the vacation it was sent back.
40 gate? I'll go to 40. 47 है? से एक packet of deal pass. Yes, what occurred?
On 9th of September,
We need the CD here.
updated city.
Updated. Hard Mr. E.K. the learned counsel for the petition. Also hard Mr. P. Watakul, the learned edition PPF, respondent. The subsequent Mr. Portman that updated case diary is not received. Issue reminder. This according to the 9th of September, you're saying?
Yes, 9th.
My lord, the interim order passed earlier may be continued.
9 interim order be continued next day. Okay.
My lord, there's another player for which I seek your lordship's indulgence. My lord, one bail application has been filed today and has come to our notice that connecting from the same FIR, lordship has called for the case diary in one BA and one AB. Both are fixed on first, my lord. So my matter may come up together, my lord. CD already called for, arising out of the same case. Obliged, my lord. Sorry.
May I appear, Lord? I beg to mention regarding item number 37 of today's list, okay? Here in this case, initially the case was registered under the provisions of BNS lordship. So we filed the case and case diary was called. On receipt of case diary, we found that provision of POXO is added subsequently. So we have filed one interlocutory application for correction of cost title and implementing the respondent number 2. So we have filed it about 1 month back, but they could not reach due to paucity of time. So may I pray also this matter will be taken up at only that the cost title will be corrected and we may be allowed to take step on respondent.
At 2.
At 2. Obliged.
May have lordship, I think number 29 lordship. I'm an interim lordship, diary was called for, diary cannot be there lordship. Item 29 lordship. Lordship, interim may be continued and at least another day lordship. Around interim.
You have
There is
received the
CD
case
not
diary.
received.
You are on
We're an interim lordship.
She did not receive, which reminder, the train will continue in a state of listing. Yes. Any do? Yes.
On my lord, 2nd of September, when
2nd of September.
Obliged lordship.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 22, lordship. Lordship, order dated 28/5/2025. I am on interim and CD was called for, but CD is not available, lordship. Lordship, interim may be continued. And also, as a subsequent development in this case, lordship, initially the case was registered in Polyabor PS, lordship, but after that the case was transferred to Bokhisto PS. Then subsequently it was transferred to again to Dispur PS. And CD may be called from the Dispur PS, lordship, as the petitioner has also deposed his statement on Dispur PS after getting the interim, lordship.
well, as per my record, well, this has been transferred to Jurabad PS.
After that it was transferred to Dispur.
Then that intimation regarding transfer to this.
No, but again, if it's also matter, the matter will be remain same because if this statement has already been recorded in, suppose in Dispur PS.
Yes.
In Dispur PS is the last, or you want to say that after Dispur, it again return to this Jurabat?
But in my record only, my lord, up to Jurabad PS, my lord, regarding dispute, my lord, I have no instruction regarding transferring of the.
So as per your instruction, presently it is in Dispur.
It is in Dispur. Initially it was transferred to Jurabad, that is under Bokhisto PS. Jurabad is an outpost. then it was transferred to dispute. I do have the case number, dispute PS case 524/25.
Dispute PS?
524/25.
Dispute PS.
524/25.
You're on which item, your number?
22, Lordship.
Hard Mr. D made it in an counsel for the petitioner, also hard Mr. P bought. So and so. It is submitted by Mr. Mehdi that as per his instructions, the case has been transferred presently to dispute PS and which is being numbered as dispute PS case number 524/2025, wherein the statements of the petitioners were also recorded after obtaining the order of interim pre-arrest bail. However, Mr. Portable submitted that he has no such instructions in regards to transfer of the case to dispute PS case number. To dispute PS, and accordingly, he submitted it after obtaining the instruction. And accordingly, the Portable, the learned additional PP is hereby asked to make necessary inquiry and to call for the case diary from the appropriate police station.
Interim dated
Yes, when it can
28/5/2025.
Your Lordship, may otherwise as per on 3rd of 9th of September.
9/9, you were in interim, it
Interim.
will be extended to years.
Deeply obliged.
May I please, your lordship? One bail application, lordship, was pending since lordship, May lordship, on last 18/7/2025, it was listed, but due to paucity of time, lordship, it was not reached, lordship, left available. So I am praying, lordship, can it be listed on tomorrow, lordship? I am not an interim in this. Or day after tomorrow, lordship.
বৃহস্পতিবারে শুক্রবার দিন। 31st,
Lordship,
31st of this month.
deeply obliged.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, I'd like to mention for listing of a criminal petition, Lordship. The matter was last listed on 21/11/2024, Lordship. Can it be on 1st of August, Lordship?
This may not be possible, let it be on I think 4th or 5th video file. 4th of August.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 7, lordship. With some difficulties, lordship. Kindly adjourn for the day, lordship.
7.
Yes, lordship.
And the
Fix
request
it.
is the matter accordingly after 1 week as an due fixed by the
Kindly fix the date, lordship.
1 week after 1. It's a AB only
Yes, lordship.
after 1.
May I please, your lordship? Your lordship, I beg to mention, for listing of WPC number 6266. Your lordship may kindly list it.
What
on
is it?
tomorrow or
The
day after
criminal
tomorrow.
petition, bail petition, what is it?
Criminal petition, your lordship.
Maybe on 4th of this month. Oh, sorry, August. 4th of August.
License. May I please, your honor, I beg to mention for listing of AV and distribute. Your honor, this one left out matter of 24/7/2025. Date was not given. CD was there that day. Date was not given.
4th, 5th, you are applying for it. Huh? He's saying we don't have any dates.
Yes, sir.
CD is lying,
Maybe here only.
cannot say.
Also.
Be on the 11th of August.
May it please, your lordship. I beg to mention item for listing, lordship. It is a BA. Can it be listed tomorrow or day
No,
after, lordship?
Not at all possible. Not tomorrow, not 1st of August.
First of all.
My lord, I am praying to list this matter. This is actually a regular bail, my lord. And listing this for on 31 August, I mean 8th, this July, day after tomorrow.
What is this? Special act, under special act or what act?
This BNSS.
CNS, not 31st. কালকে রেজিস্ট্রি অ্যাপ্রোচ করবো পারে তো না বার করবো পারে We don't have any short date or 31st, till 31st, first, we don't have any. You
First-
can approach
first
the
August.
registry.
1st August then.
You can approach the registry. Uh, Most probably from tomorrow, two more criminal benches will be there, so you can approach the registry. Registry may fix it in tomorrow, maybe day after tomorrow. Or first.
Obliged.
If please the lordship, may I pray for listing of a BA lordship under BNS? The sections are 1182, 1091, and 351 3 of BNS.
4th of August. 4th.
Fourth.
May please, one regular bail, my lord. In fact, another matter is fixed tomorrow, my lord. Can it
Or
not?
not possible.
It is in the list, my lord. Yeah, Same
Not
case,
possible.
same forwarding, my lord. It will take only 1 minute, only CD, my lord. Kindly.
For you, it will be 1 minute.
My
For
lord,
us,
no-
it will not be
No,
1.
my lord, I am kindly, other cases there, my lord, same forwarding, it has been arrested. Same forwarding, 2%, 1%, it is in the list. Along with that matter only, my lord.
What is the matter?
Item number 6, my lord, of tomorrow's list, my lord, that is PA 2411. I've written
PA?
2411, my lord, kindly, my lord.
List along with 2, 4. No, no. Tomorrow.
Yes, I've written.
Okay.
Obligement, much.
আমারটা কোনো জিনিস টাকা দিব না আর কাজে আসবে কারো কারণে লাগিয়ে দিতে একটু কারণ কারণ may bisa ko karon lagi থাকে বস্তু লৈ থাকে কারণ নহয় তাৰ ৰিকুৱেশ্যন দি দিম এটা আলমাৰি কাৰণে মোৰ আলমাৰি কাৰণে লিখি দিব বুজিছে আৰু আমাৰ যিটো বস্তু আছে ন লাগা আপোনাকো কৰি
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, regular bail application, lordship. Lordship, allegation of abetment to suicide is there 108, lordship, and case there will be coming from Disney PS, lordship. It may be fixed, lordship.
14th August.
14th. Don't give on 14th.
It will be, they will be busy for independence, after independence.
Maybe after.
But
Maybe on 17th, 16th.
18th.
Pardon?
18th.
18th of August. Oh,
Deeply obliged.
CTB call for 18th of August.
Vice President, Lordship. It's a solicited bail application, my lord. It's for second time, my lord. And my lord, POXO is there, my lord. So, my lord, let the notice may go, my lord. And in the meantime, my lord, the scan copy of the lower court report may be called for, my lord.
Heard Mr. K. Burba, the Atlantic Council for the petition. I also heard Mr. J. Sucha, Atlantic Additional BP, appearing on behalf of chief respondent. So and so. Issue notice, issue notice to the respondents, no. Formal notice is required to be served on the state respond number 1. However, copy of the petition may be given during the course of the two, may be provided. Issue notice to the respond number 2 to the distant police station routed to the office of the registry and the public. The petitioner will take step within 2 or 3 days. Also call for the scan copy of the TCR. Registry will do the list accordingly. This may be also 18/8,
Lordship,
18th of August.
18th.
Yes. You take steps and we are also calling for the TCR.
Obliged.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, this is a regular bail application, 24 days in jail custody, lordship. Is 14 is the FIR, lordship. It's a living relation between this petitioner and the informant, lordship. Last since 21, lordship, we are in relation, lordship. Suddenly, lordship, our relation breakdown. There is a separation, lordship. There is a communication breakdown, lordship. For which, lordship, she lost this FIR lordship. Admittedly, she admitted that she is in relation with this boy lordship. Now only 24 days lordship. Forwarding report say police did not short for police custody lordship. That is in the forwarding report. Lordship thinks is that they are in relation lordship. During that period, lordship, I bear all expenses of our lordship. She is with me. Certainly, lordship, there is discord relation lordship. Now, lordship, there is a communication breakdown, lordship. No one is willing to live together, lordship. Now she said she had such a physical relation, but that time she did not lodge any FIR against this petitioner. Suddenly, lordship, after this breakdown, lordship, she come up with this FIR that is on page 14, lordship.
3184 is also there.
Yes, lordship. 3185 cheating, lordship. That part will not do, lordship. She is a major lordship. She knows the consequence, lordship.
89.
89 lordship. She knows the consequence. That time she didn't lose anything, lordship. It's happening on 2021, lordship. We are in relation.
Against her will, I think, na?
Page 14, lordship. She says, lordship, 2021, she is in relation, lordship.
Yes, Sutia, what?
But additional sisters has caused a specific order on 17/7/2025
That's
after perusal of the case diary matter.
That
It may be called for my lord at this case, but
now, lordship, what is police in the forwarding report? That's why they did not require for police remand, lordship. That is on forwarding report, lordship. I'll show you. That is on page 17, lordship. Page 17, ground of police remand? No. Specifically, they don't require this lordship custodial interrogation, lordship. Then what will come out, lordship? Whatever they are in the FIR, lordship, that is their lordship. Now there is a relation, it was not disputed, lordship. Now that relation is broke down, lordship. Broken, lordship, that's why, lordship.
We call for the case diary.
It's from dispute, lordship. Can it be on next week, lordship? From dispute, lordship.
It's not possible, no.
Dispute, lordship, it's a...
No, for dispute, for us, not possible.
Oh.
From dispute, I know. Asli. Ito to naraki boy as 7 to the produce side to 7 to No. Para. Then it's a house. 12 feet.
Can it be shorter, lordship? 10. Can it be, lordship, before that, lordship?
8 we cannot fix.
8,
8
lordship.
we cannot fix.
8, lordship.
8 we cannot fix, that's what I mean. We will move for Arunachal.
For Monday, lordship, on 11, lordship. 11, lordship, that can be, lordship. On 11.
Okay.
Highly obvious.
My pleasure, Lordship.
Yes.
This case pertains to Patasur Krishi PS case 147 of 25, registered under section 76, 79, 351, 2. Now, basically, all the sections here comes to up to 3 years. Only 76 is up to 7 years. Now, what has happened is that in this particular matter, the accused, he is already in jail. On 28th, he has been arrested, and now he has already completed 9 days of remand, 1 day of police remand, and 8 days of judicial remand. Now, the basic, the crux of this matter comes from the FIR. Now, kindly peruse the FIR matter. That is page number 18. That is the original version of the FIR. One, two, three, four, five. Fifth line, mine. যোৱাকালি 19/7/2025 ইংৰাজী তাৰিখে অন্য দিনাৰ দৰে আবেলি প্ৰায় 4টামান বজাত এজাহাৰকাৰীয়ে পিতৃগৃহৰ পোহনীয়া গৰুকেইটা পিতৃগৃহৰ ওচৰতে থকা পহুমৰা নদীৰ কাষৰ পথাৰৰ পৰা আনি যাওঁতে উপৰোক্ত আসামীয়ে পূৰ্ব পৰিকল্পিতভাৱে পহুমৰা নদীৰ দলঙৰ ওচৰত ইয়ামাহা FG বাইকখনেৰে আহি বাইকখন ৰখাই নিজৰ পিন্ধি থকা কাপোৰ খুলি লৈ অসৎ কাৰ্য কৰাৰ বাবে এজাহাৰকাৰীৰ ফালে দৌৰি আহে আৰু এজাহাৰকাৰীক সাৱটি ধৰি এজাহাৰকাৰীৰ বুকুত পেটত then please kindly turn the page number 19 পিঠিত আৰু শৰীৰত আন গোপন অংগত হাত দিয়ে আৰু বলপূৰ্বকভাৱে এজাহাৰকাৰীৰ লগত অসৎ কাৰ্য কৰিবলৈ উদ্যত হয়. So this shows that this particular accused, he himself, he has removed his clothes and then he has come to the towards the informant with the intent to do some sexual act or to do some
CDB call for that.
Right here was.
Yes.
My lord, in this case, the person who was arrested, my lord, this present petitioner, he is not the person named in the FIR. Father's name is quite different, and he was arrested after about 3 months of the arrest of all the FIR named accused, my lord.
But have you filed any thing in this regard before the trial judge or before the police station anyway? Because you are
The
challenging. the
policeman,
identity-
he is behind the
identity.
bar. He is behind the bar.
No. By the family members, you have challenged the identity. So
You-
we are not in a position to say.
You
anything.
have kindly see the FIR, just my lord. Yes, we know. I have stated here also, my lord, you will kindly see, my lord, page 15 is the FIR, my lord. And named of the accused are your lordship will find page 18, 1A, the cybercrime, my lord. Page 18.
Hmm.
Your lordship can see, my lord.
Yes.
Named of the addressed accused person, total 4 person name. Number 1 is Asadul Islam, father's name Abdul Sabur Sheikh.
Yeah.
This Abdul Sabur Sheikh already got bail. Your kindly see your lordship's order, page 25. Page 25. Your lordship was on the ground of 47, 48. Your lordship was related to all the 4 persons. Same name, Asadul Islam. Your lordship, then Hassanul Zaman, Kubat Sheikh. All the person, 3 persons of out of that, my lord, already they got bail. This Asadul Islam also got bail, my lord. Now, your lord kindly see forwarding report, page 20. So he was arrested on 2/7/25. Your lordship, those persons who are released on bail by your lordship order is 3/4/25. They are released. Thereafter, some political guy will, my lord, this petitioner, he was arrested on 2/7/25. June, July, my lord, April, May, June, July. After about 3 months, my lord, of the release of those named accused, including Asadul Islam, my lord. And the following report, my name is, actual name is my lord Sayyid Ali. Father's name.
So
my
you are Asadul.
lord. I am Asadul, son of Sayyid Ali. And the person who is named in the FIR, person son of some Abdul Bare, who got already bail, my lord. Named accused number 1. As per FIR, my lord.
Abdul Barek.
Yes. Abdul Sabur Sheikh, my lord, your lordship will find. Yes, page 18. Page 1A. Page 1A. Your lordship Asadul Islam, son of Abdul Barik Sheikh. Named accused. Who already got bail on.
So have you filed any petition before the learned trial court below?
Session judgment that was rejected, that point was not discussed, my lord.
Where's the order? Rejection order?
Yes, rejection order is page 23. On merit only, my lord, it was discussed. Simply saying that, my lord, present case register on the basis of FIR, crime branch, illegal activities of so and so, operative syndicate, they lure the investor to invest fraudulent companies. On merit, my lord, on going to the CD, it appears that the investigation of the case is in progress. Are you collected sufficient materials against the accused? Normally, there, my lord, this type of things they only come. That point is not at all there.
Have you raised that point?
That
We are not in a
I
position
cannot
to
say,
say
my,
anything.
I cannot say. But
Suppose
here
if
we
he
have.
is not the person, definitely.
That I,
behind the
that
bar.
I
That's what
cannot-
I'm saying.
That I cannot say.
But
But here actually page 9, we have category stated, man, page 9, page 8 and
here you have said it.
yes, yes.
Now the question is that these 4 are the FIR named accused. Is that in connection with some cybercrime?
Right.
But during investigation, if anything has been found against these petitioners, I don't know.
No, not during investigation, after 3 months of the my lord, your lordship.
Whatever, during the, still, is it a charge sheeted case?
No,
No, that means investigation is still going.
that is in progress.
That is in
That-
progress.
that
So
progress,
after thereafter, if this person is somehow related, how can we say there is nothing in fact? So we may call for a report directing the police officer also to.
But
make
only
a separate
name, my lord,
report.
whole question my lord, name. A specific name is there, my lord, number one. And your lordship 2/3/25 FIR date, my lord, FIR. Thereafter, those person, all the FIR person are arrested. I am only
That's
on
what-
that, my lord.
That's what I'm saying. He one
Then
FIR
on a short warranty, they can bring that one, whether this
Yes,
person,
obviously, one FIR name accused, I have also seen. His father name is different.
yes.
That is
And
understood.
he already got bail, the person who is
Yes,
named in the.
even after knowing that he got bail,
That may be, my lord,
this
that,
person is
that
arrested.
cannot be ruled out, of course.
That is
Ah,
why I'm saying.
ah.
Name maybe, I don't know, father's name, he may be different, or maybe the father's
But
name. I
they're
don't
on
know,
the
but
same
the-
footing, suppose, my lord.
They can, will make an, or will pass an order to for making an inquiry also by the police officer.
But
Whether-
only short period might have only, suppose if he is not a person who is actually that he might have seen, that case, well, only they can bring the information, my
Already
lord.
stated, we don't have any short.
No, they can the information only, my lord. Whether the person named in,
Question means CD, if there is any CD will be also be required, I think. Along with this CD, the report may come.
I lift your
That's what
lordship
I'm
only, my lord, because your lordship is an innocent man, cultivator, my lord. He does not order cybercrime, my lord. Nothing to do, my lord, with that.
From photography, he doesn't seems to be a cultivator.
Cultivator, my lord.
Now from the photograph,
Oh, photographer, my lord.
see the photograph?
Your lordship, I have not seen the photograph, my lord.
No, photograph, we have at least
Yes,
recording.
Photograph, I don't think, my lord.
See, 27-year-old old boy.
But especially, yes, environment is cultivator, my lord. Cultivator also got some sort of, my lord, good looking, my lord.
Heard Mr. H.R. Chaudhary, the learned senior advocate, assisted by Mr. R.A. Chaudhary, you are Mr.
No,
M. Hussain.
M. Hussain, assisted by Mr. M. Hussain, the learned counsel for the petitioner, and also heard Mr. J. Sujia, the learned additional PP appearing on behalf of state respondent. It is submitted by Mr.
Wow.
Chaudhary, the learned senior advocate, that there are 4 FIR name accused, and out of which the accused number 1 was one Ashadul Islam, son of Abdul Subur Sheikh.
Yes.
Abdul Subur Sheikh, who along with other 3 accused persons were arrested in connection with this case, and accordingly they were granted with bail by this court by order dated 3/4/2025. But after 3 months, after 4 months of the bail granted to the present the other accused person, the present petitioner got arrested in connection with this case on 2/7/2025, and his name is Ashadul Islam, son of one Moinul
Page 20,
Syed,
20.
son of Syed Ali, Muhammad Syed Ali. Full stop. He is no way connected in the alleged offense, and thus his identity is also challenged here in this case. But without having any involvement in the alleged offense, he is in custody since last 27 days. In that context, Mr. Putia, the learned additional PP, submitted that CD will be required, and a report may be called for regarding the identity of the present petition. In view of this, let the CD be called for, along with a report from the IO, and CD be called for, and further, the IO is hereby directed to make an inquiry in regards to the identity of the present accused petitioner and his involvement in the alleged offense. Let the matter be listed on day 9. ডেট নাই কি করি মানে আমার প্রবলেম হচ্ছে করে কিন্তু আমি বললাম আমার 13/8.
Obliged to. Those persons were also on the same period, 30 days. I am on 27 days, my lord. So they are already released, my lord. So that we also, your lordship,
Numbers are
supposing, my lord, your lord, that we also, your lordship, not concerned. Anyway, man, obliged, obliged.
May I please your lordship. Lordship, the allegation under section 108 and section 35 of BNS, my lord. There is the abatement of suicide. I would like to take your lordship to the FIR. Lordship will find a vernacular at page 14. 1/4. May I read, lordship? Mohoday Ezaharkari Birinto Nibiran Eze, 4 accused has been named in the FIR, my lord. 4 numbers. Birinto Nibiran Eze, Uporokto Ekno Podokiar, Dinkorot Ekhon, বাইকৰ গ্যাৰেজ আছে 2 নং পদকীয়া 1 নং পদকীয়াৰ গ্যাৰেজৰ কৰ্মচাৰী হয় কিছুদিন পূৰ্বে 1 নং পদকীয়াৰ গ্যাৰেজৰ কিছু সামগ্ৰী চুৰি হোৱা কেন্দ্ৰ কৰি গত ইংৰাজী 23/6/2025 তাৰিখে মোৰ অষ্টমমান শ্ৰেণীত পঢ়ি থকা পুত্ৰ ইমৰান আলী উৰ্ফে ইৰফান আলী বৰ্তমান বয়স 12 বছৰ 7 মাহ দিনৰ প্ৰায় 4 বজাত 1 নং পদকীয়াৰ গ্যাৰেজৰ ফালে ফুৰিবলৈ গৈ থকা অৱস্থাত 1 নং পদকীয়াই দেখা পাই চিঞৰ বাখৰ কৰি খেদি যায় উক্ত সময়ত উপৰোক্ত 2 নং আৰু 3 নং পদকীয়া সেই স্থানত উপস্থিত আছিল 1 নং পদকীয়াই মোৰ ল'ৰা ইমৰানক খেদি যোৱা 2 নং পদকীয়া আৰু 3 নং পদকীয়াই দেখা পায় তেওঁলোকেও মোৰ ল'ৰাজনক বাইকেৰে খেদি যায় তেতিয়া মোৰ ল'ৰাজনে পদকীয়াৰ গণৰ মাৰপিটৰ ভয়ত প্ৰাণৰ ভয়ত দৌৰি ৰেল লাইনলৈ দৌৰি যায় আৰু পদকীয়া গণে পিছে পিছে খেদি যোৱাৰ ফলত মোৰ ল'ৰাটি মানসিকভাৱে ভাৰসাম্য হেৰুৱাই ৰেল লাইনৰ সিগনেল লাইটৰ পোষ্টত ডিঙিত প্লাষ্টিকৰ ৰছী লৈ আত্মহনন কৰে ইয়াৰ কিছু সময়ৰ পিছত 1 নং আৰু 4 নং পদকীয়াই মোৰ গৃহলৈ গৈ পৰিয়ালক কয় যে তহঁতৰ ইৰফান আলীক লাগে যদি ৰেল লাইনত আছে তাৰ পৰা লৈ আহ গৈ আমি দায়ী নহয় এই খবৰ পোৱাৰ পিছত মোৰ পৰিয়ালৰ লোকেও গাঁৱৰ মানুহ ঘটনাস্থলীলৈ গৈ পোৱাত মোৰ ল'ৰাটি ৰেল লাইনৰ সিগনেল লাইটৰ পোষ্টত উলমি থকা প্ৰত্যক্ষ কৰো ল'ৰা ইৰফানৰ পৰিয়ালৰ লোকে নমাই ততাতয়াকৈ হস্পিটেলত নিয়ে যদিও ইৰফানক মৃত্যু হোৱা বুলি চিকিৎসকে কয় So this is the allegations, my lord. Lordship will kindly see the FIR was lodged on 3/7/2025 and the alleged incident that took place on 23/6/2025. That is, after 10 days of the alleged incident, the FIR was lost. First of all, lordship. Secondly, lordship, on the same day, it has been narrated in the FIR that on the same day, the petitioner, along with accused number 4, went to the house of the informant and stated that he is the victim was at the rail line. And they asked them to take him to their house. So on the same day, as per FIR, they have came to know that if any complicity is there, they have came to know regarding the complicity of the accused persons. But what prevented them from lodging the FIR till 10-day, lordship? That is first thing, lordship. And secondly, lordship will kindly see in the daylight at around 4 p.m. in the daylight, a boy has committed suicide in front of so many people, my lord, and nobody has resisted him from committing suicide. So these are the facts, lordship, that needs to be considered, my lord, at this stage, lordship, and only the 15 days behind the bar. He was arrested on 15/7/2025, my lord. So considering the length of detention, the further detention may not be necessary in this case, my lord.
Okay, side of 12 years died, my lord. First, we call for a case diary, my lord. What is the circumstances pushed him to do that particular act, my lord? What's we call for a case diary, my lord, at this stage?
No, obviously, there is a delay in lodging the FIR, but the question is maybe a bit different because they have informed in the house of the parents of the or wherever in the house
As per FIR,
that as per FIR that if you want your boy, then you can
go to
bring him
the
because he is
rail
there
line. Yes, lord.
in a position whatever. So during that period, I cannot say that whether there was any investigation or inquiry as to how or on what basis his or their child committed or took such steps. So that may be one of the reasons why lodging the delay in FIR. But that's just a
Lord,
presumptionary,
Lord.
I'm just saying. But you see, definitely at why for your boy.
No, no,
committed
my
suicide.
lord, I am only on that, my lord. Whether custodial detention will serve any purpose in this case or not.
Let us see how
Already-
the other was also. for the case diary করিব। We are listing it on, we don't have any shortage. Just somehow we are listing it on
12 it.
12 we are listing, let us see.
12 bit.
Yes, very good. CDP. Okay.
Oblige with.
Question B আৰু কিবা আছে? নাই। Question B কিবা আছে?
I think
এটা তো গোটেই কাম কটাই আছে। আমি কব পাৰিছো। ও দেখা করতে দিবই লাগিব। সব আছে। আপনি বলেন লিখা পারিব যে ঠিক আছে কম। কি সব আছে। Yes. What is the 15 of 41 critical? It is a matter place locally rooted. Okay, see, rooted to it's in all. You could tell start not to do it. You know? The Divo part to batch fine and Jadu 9.
I think maybe
Yes.
maybe taken up at 2 p.m.
This one.
Report was confirmed.
Why?
The report was called for. Report.
Oh,
maybe
the
it's-
report was confirmed. Okay. At 2?
at 2.
Oblige with.
Ako maka na at
9. Yes.
you are on 9?
My lord, item 9 and 10, my lord, one person, my lord, two FIR by the different person, my lord, same cause of action, my lord. So 9 and 10, my.
Oh.
Now, lordship, kindly see the item 9 at page, my lord. 10 is the, my lord, FIR.
Yes.
May I read this, my lord, FIR, my lord? My lord, on Ratan Dotto, with due respect, it is the humble submission that on dated so and so, verbal agreement occurs with Robin Das, son of so and so, who is the owner of the truck bearing number so and so, to load so and so, amounting rupees so and so. Carry and same to Duliazan, and he has been also paid a total rupees of 70,000 in 3 installments. Further, on 2/11/2024, I had a telephonic conversation with the driver of the truck, and after that, I could be able to contract him. Afterwards, even while contracting the owner of the vehicle, namely Robin Das, he let us know that there is no reason to be worried about it. But after getting the information that the truck was under the custody of the Borpatas Howley PS on 5/11/2024, I had gone there, and after taking information from the said PSI, I got to know the vehicle was parked at Balaji Katha. And after being unable to contract the driver at first, I called the handyman of the vehicle who showed the truck and all materials inside through a video call, from which I got to see a total of rupees so and so ton only. As such, there is a suspicion that the owner and the driver of the vehicle has jointly stolen the sold and roads to the unknown place. That is the allegation, my lord. Now, petitioner here is the my lord driver. Lordship, kindly see serial number 2, who parked it and handyman was available. And the Ratan Das, who lost the my lord affair, he was the business partner of the my lord gentleman. Now, in the second affair, lordship, kindly see the same story that has been filed by the my lord original owner of the my lord vehicle. at page 18, my lord. We have also annexed the second FIR, my lord, page 18. It says, my lord, Saiful Islam, who is the owner of the vehicle. With due respect, it is my humble submission that I am the owner of the 14 so and so good carrier vehicle bearing number so and so, same number. Robial Islam and so and so, Hasibul and Shahjan Ali, both are the resident of so and so, Assam, are employed as driver and handyman of the vehicle since long. On so and so, Durgapur, West Bengal, the vehicle is loaded with 30 ton so and so while proceeding towards Tinsukia. Now it has Tinsukia on 2/11/2024 at around so and so. The GPS connection and the contract with the driver was lost. While the GPS connection of the vehicle was lost from the jurisdiction of the Bogrivari police station, the driver took the vehicle near a tea stall at Vilasipura, Maspura, drove the handyman and another person, namely Kamal Kalam Sheikh, so and so, Vilasipura, Assam. Therein, after that driver flew away with the vehicle, and it is suspected that he might sold the rods keeping just 1.5 tons. Now the affair contention of the first affair and the second affair are itself contradictory, my lord. Ultimately, my lord, vehicle is in the custody of the Howley police station as on date, my lord, and it is in intact, my lord. So, my lord, considering the facts and situation, my lord, CD may kindly be called for, my lord. In the meantime, my lord, interim protection may be, my lord, given, my lord.
Where is the number of the truck? One and then
Number of the truck, my lord.
9529, na?
Number of the truck, my lord, NL 019529. In the two
So
affair, my lord, same.
Robin Das is not the owner.
He is not the owner. He is the business partner of the, my lord, Ratan Dotto, who is the owner of the consignment. Saiful is the owner of the truck. He will appear before the Malad IO and he will make his statement.
So the first, in the first FIR, 3 accused were there.
Malad.
And in the second FIR,
Second affair by the owner of the truck.
how many accused persons are named here?
Malad, here Malad, 2 accused person.
One Robiul.
Robiul and Malad on Hasibul Sheikh. He is the handyman, Malad. Both common, Malad, in the first affair and the second affair.
So now vehicle is in under custody of one Sikandar Ali.
Yeah, Sikandar Ali.
So one hand you were saying that it is in.
Now in the
Howley
first
PS.
affair it says under the custody of the Howley police station. In the second affair it says it is under the Sikandar Ali. Now second affair lost by the owner of the truck and first affair lost by the one of the partners of the consignment, the owner of the goods.
But in both the my lord FIR, accused is the same, my lord. Who lost the FIR, that is a different thing, my lord. But the Robiul Islam and Rahul Amin, both are the accused in both the FIR, my lord. They are the driver and handyman, and the theft occurred from that particular vehicle, my lord. Lordship may call for the CD, my lord. Thereafter, Lordship may consider the interim date.
So there is 2 CD then.
Malad, 2/6. Hence, Malad, 2 FIR, Malad, 2 bail petition has been filed.
One is registered as under which
Yes.
police station? Howley, same Howley police station.
Yes. Now, first one is Malad, first one, Lordship will find page 12, Vilasipura PS case number 281/2024.
281.
281. Vilasipura PS case number
24.
24.
Another one.
And second one, Lordship will find at page 19, Vilasipura PS case number
25/2025.
So it is registered in the year 2025 only.
Well,
Other one.
25/2025. That is item number 10.
I don't know, but this.
There are two cases. Item
other
number
one-
10 is there on this one.
Huh?
Item number 10.
No, that I understood. In item number 9, you were seeking bail for first FIR.
First FIR.
And the item number 10.
10,
for
second
the
FIR. Second FIR. Same vehicle, Miller, but two FIR, one by the Miller business partners and one by the Miller owner of the truck.
Don't if it is a case of interim.
But
It
there
is
are
giving
two
cause.
cases, my lord. One case, my lord, that in the both the FIR, my lord, the driver and handyman is involved in the allegation of involvement of the driver and handyman is there. Both the cases, my lord. And the question of theft is there, my lord. So lordship may fall for the CD, my lord, as a lodging of FIR is the different, my lord. One of the partner, one by the another by the owner, my lord. And the question of theft of 15 empty rod is there, my lord. So lordship fall for the CD, my lord, at this case. And this is not the case for consideration interim bail, my lord. As the position of
think
the
so.
both the cases, my lord, accused person is the same, my lord.
No, in the first is, there are three accused, Miller. On Robin
Two
Das
and
also.
three is the same
Yeah,
person, my
but
lord.
the both the whatever, Robiul is the
Yes.
driver.
Yes, Robiel and Miller Ruhul Amin Kumar.
Driver. The
But these
electrician-
two petitions are for Robiul only.
Robiul, my lord.
Yes,
Driver.
right. If anything is done, that will be responsible by the Miller handyman. Because the vehicle was parked in the custody of the handyman, as narrated in the FIR itself.
So why you played away?
Miller,
Why you could not be contacted by this one. You could not be contacted by either by owner or the
Business partner.
owner of the or
Business
truck
partner.
or the business partner. No one could contact the driver. That means you. Why?
because
Rather,
as
you should have taken
Informed.
contact with these two.
yes,
This either maybe the truck owner or maybe the owner of the goods. That these things had happened. I don't know where, but you did not do anything.
yes, it has been informed to the Robin Das. Robin Das, who is also accused number 1
No,
in the first
whatever.
FIR.
You have
After
not-
parking the vehicle, it was informed.
Why you did not make any contact with the other these informants? That's what I'm asking.
Informants, Miller.
You could have contact because you are innocent. You did not nothing. You just simply parked the vehicle.
Yes.
But thereafter they could not contact you.
Miller,
Rather, you could have make a contact with them.
yes, that's true. But since the petitioner, before your lordship, is a professional driver, after parking the vehicle
He is
under the
over.
custody of the handyman, he went for
But-
another. He went to drive another vehicle,
Oh.
which was loaded.
Without I mean the truck did not reach the destination. Without that doing this, he was just going
No.
somewhere.
Truck got the destination. The goods were supposed to carry it to Durgapur to Bleshipara. It was accordingly done. It was not Duliazan. Some confusion is there in the affair. The goods were supposed to carry it from Durgapur, West Bengal to Bleshipara.
Bleshipara.
Accordingly, it is done. It is not that in the middle point we abandon the truck and fled somewhere. That is not that.
It was reached the destination.
Yes, destiny.
and it was informed to the Robindar, who was the my lord, accused number 1. So there is some my lord, mismanagement regarding the handyman and the Robindar. I am being a driver, I have been implicated, my lord.
Maybe. Anyway, let's see city call for, CDB call for. দুইটা থেকে অর্ডার হলো CDB call for passport. CD for both the CD for both the Pilasipara PS case number 281 only 2024 and Pilasipara PS case number 25 only 2024 before. When it can be listed.
12 bit.
That cannot be possible. Let it be an 18.8 or
16.8.
18. We're listing it both the matters on 18.8. The call it.
My lord, till then may I pray, my lord, protection, my lord, because
How can you pray
professional driver, my lord, he is apprehending of arrest.
18.8? We are not giving any such a long date, short date. 18.8. Okay.
18,
Yes, 18th of August.
obliged.
Mary, your lordship. Relative to application, my lord. Lordship, can you see a fire at this element, my lord?
Yes.
With the slate copy, my lord.
That where the missing girl is already recovered.
Record, my lord.
Where from you are saying recovered?
My lord, actually, I have stated paragraph 3, my lord. The facts
No,
of
that is your statement. Is there any papers document?
no, lordship.
And the question is that if suppose girl is recovered,
Yes, miss.
she may be produced before the
Our statement also
learned
recorded.
CGM or her statement may be recorded.
Yes,
That
recorded.
order is not available here. You have not annexed that order.
Lordship,
It is
I-
your verbal submission or it is a statement made by
Victim
you?
statement, lordship, there is a bar, my lord. We could not collect, my lord.
Huh?
Victim statement,
Victim statement, you are not need to collect the victim statement. I'm only on the order. There will be order
Yes.
endorsing the by CGM to other magistrate or whatever
my lord.
for recording of the statement. From that order, we can at least there is an information that the girl is already been recovered.
My,
But here you have not annexed anyone,
my lord.
any those papers. That's right.
Not.
So we are not in a stage to say anything as to whether the girl is still recovered or is still missing.
Lordship,
Statement is all right. Statement you have made.
any other date do you fix, my lord? Day after tomorrow, my lord.
Day after tomorrow? No.
Next week, my lord.
Okay, at best on 5th.
Hmm.
5th, we are calling for the case diary also, 5th of
Right.
August. And in the meantime, if you can procure the order of the certificate copy of that, you can please.
My,
List on 5. List on 5 radio. Call for the case diary. You are
My-
calling for the case diary, it may not reach, you can
my
submit.
lord, victim statement and medical report will be called for, my lord.
CD will definitely accompany with these things.
My-
And in regards to medical report, is there anything of sexual assault?
No, nothing, my lord.
Then
Nothing.
why insisting for medical?
There-
Let us
Therefore,
see.
my lord, case of the register under section 87, my lord, only 87.
Only 87,
My-
but I don't know, their POXO may be added
No,
also.
nothing, no,
Then-
not that.
No, nothing at present. We cannot say.
My,
If there is any sexual assault on her,
my lord, my.
maybe penetrative or sexual, whatever, but in that case, there probability of adding of sections of POXO.
My,
Presently, it will
otherwise,
not be
this is
necessary.
a POXO case, my lord.
But
Otherwise, this is POXO, my lord.
you admit it's a POXO case?
No, my lord.
Then?
If there is any physical assault, any others involved, then we will POXO. my lord.
May not be physical, sexual assault is there, then POXO will come.
Um,
But at present, only kidnapping is there.
My lord,
That's what I'm asking.
my,
If it is there only, that will CD will definitely be a probability of adding those sections are.
Right.
Yeah.
my lord.
Anyway, we're
14
calling it on 5/8 and in the meantime, you can,
Short
Uh,
date, well,
what short date? More than prior to 5/8.
my lord.
We are not in a position to fix in within 5 also. Just and because of you may procure the certificate copy, then that's what for that reason only I have. We don't have. Okay, 5/8.
Your lordship is rising, I think, my lord.
Yes,
If not on economic item 15, my lord, only CD will be called, but I'm asking, not asking for interim, my lord. In that case, my lord, you may go, my lord. Item 1 5, my lord.
1 5.
1 5.
1
Look,
5 to prohibit.
Yusuf,
Heard Mr. H.I. Chaudhary, assisted by Mr.
1 5.
Ahmed.
SS Ahmed. Also
15.
petitioner, also heard Mr. Mitesh. CDP call for. Yes, how many, what are your 40? If you reach the.
Already
you see
arrested my lord today. Oh, AB,
Yes, it's AB,
41.
40.
Obliged to, much obliged. Item 1 5 to do,
1 5 1 5, 15. Yes.
obliged.
Wait, please, Your Lordship. My lord, here we have filed this interlocutory application. Initially, we filed this AB, my lord, and sections were only IPC sections were BNS sections were recorded. Later on, my lord, section POXO, section 6 of POXO was added when the CD was placed, my lord. So we have filed this interlocutory application, my lord, seeking your leave to file the amended cost title and to make the informant as party respondent, my lord, and to take steps upon the respondent number 2. My lord. That much of prayer, my lord, this thing.
Yes, okay. Mr. Sutia, you are appearing in 37. Wait for amendment of cost title.
Yes,
Yes.
POSCO abatement.
POSCO.
POSCO abatement. POSCO abatement by order dated 21/5/25.
Yes, ma'am. That is
21.
21/8/2025.
21/5.
21/5, yes.
21/5/25.
That logic will find page 8 of our interlocutory application.
Not only POSCO, my lord, 65.
After filing of this AB administrative bill application, the on the prayer made by the Kosaigaon, on prayer made by the investigating officer, SDGM M Kosaigaon, SDGM M Kosaigaon, filed its order dated 21/05/25, had allowed the prayer for adding section 65(1), 64(2), subsection small m of BNS, and section 6 of the WOC is was allowed. In view of this, submitted by Mr. Chaudhary that the cost of the AV number 1206 of the 2025 needs to be corrected and also pay to make the informant as a party respondent. Mr. Boford is not objection. There. Next part, accordingly, the prayer for filing of the amended cost act and also prayer for make the informant as a party respondent, but thereby allowed the petitioner before the in view of this, I sensed. Logic take steps.
Logic will take steps upon respond number 2, my lord. The informant.
Oh, made the amended cost title.
Yes, sir. Amended cost title we will file logic before the registry, and thereafter we may be allowed to take
After
steps.
filing the amended cost title, the petitioner will also take steps on the respondent respondent number 2 of the informant. Okay.
I'm deeply.
Listen. The AB will be released.
I may be allowed to.
I
Return the date, otherwise.
CD was there with you.
Yes.
CD received connection with AB 1206 of the present we returned.
My lord, any fixed date, lordship?
If we find it. Yeah.
May I please, Lord, this 482 application, my lord. FIR is on page 8, my lord. Allegation under section 331, 74 and 118, my lord.
Yes, this is AB. Yes.
All right. May I read, my lord? With due respect, I beg to state that my husband stayed in Borpeta for his work. On 24/4/25 at night, while I was sleeping with my two children at our house at about 11 p.m., the accused person entered my house, breaking our bamboo doors. Immediately, I awake and saw the accused person. The accused person grabbed my mouth and tried to do illegal work with me. When I tried to resist, the accused attacked me by a knife in his hand and injured several parts of my body. The accused fled away from my house as I and my children used to hue and cry. While the accused person fled away, I saw another person along with a bike in my yard. My lord, what I mean, my lord, in this case, my lord, both party coming to settlement, my lord. I have annexed the mutual settlement deed, my lord.
Direct worker. Direct worker. So under which section it is now registered?
Now registered, my lord, it is house trespass and 350 earlier and outrage the modesty and grievous hurt, my lord.
Previous hurt is also there.
1181 is grievous, my lord.
Why grievous hurt?
My lord, both party come into settlement, my lord. I have annexed the settlement agreement, my lord, as annexed to page 15, my lord.
With Jabur.
My lord.
Jabur is the accused.
Jabur is the accused, my lord. Kindly peruse the original one, my lord. One page is missing in my Xerox copy, my lord.
Mutual agreement that compromise petition that has not been annexed in the petition properly. So that page is not there, it is not before also. And by the whether matter that outrage the modesty woman, that section matter 74 and 118 matter that can be compromised. So that's why law has been settled on that point, they cannot be compromised like that matter. As when the allegation of outrage the modesty of woman is there, previous injury is there, that's it cannot run the anticipated buildings.
Yeah, obviously, very obvious. But the question is that
When the
no, for money.
whether
to
that
money to
compromise
any
petition, my
monetary
lord,
transaction
whether
is
on
there.
that basis, whether lordship will consider it. That is the point, man, at this stage. Whether if the compromise petition, my lord, whether it cannot be acted upon that, my lord, for offense, my lord, cognizable offense, my lord. Whether on that basis, lordship will consider interim bill.
That is already there, but the question is that for disposal, definitely it would be a harder. But the question is that if after this compromise, these things, do you think that custodial
That
interrogation
maybe
will
from
be
the
required?
faith, maybe there, anything maybe there. Or what is the basis of compromise after lodging the FIR by a complainant that to be omen, my lord, that regarding outrage of her modesty and grievous injury. If those things are there, my lord, whether by way of filing a compromise petition, that has been various decisions of the Supreme Court is there on that point. It cannot be compromised like that, my lord. And regarding the all those points are there. Lordship will consider it.
Question of compromise, we are not dealing with the question of compounding the offense.
Offense, my lord.
Obviously, there cannot be any offense, this kind of offense cannot be compounded. My only question, my question is that they have matter has already been compromised or settled. These are things are going on in this society, what do you do? What do you do? Filing of a case outraging a modesty and then hurt, and then now you're saying that it was a misunderstanding, misconception, how it can be? How it can
That
be?
second page is not with me, my lord.
No, no, it's a second
That
page.
second page is not with me, my lord. That has already punished to us.
Ah.
So I cannot submit.
So whatever, you have filed the original one, but the question is that whether that kind of submissioning is acceptable, because now it is stated that the first party out of anger and with misconception filed the instance.
That should be being of record by way of, my lord. That is the procedure, my lord. If they are filing the petition without serving us copy, my lord, it is difficult to submit, my lord.
Okay, then you want the copy.
That should be, compromise petition should be being of the record, my lord. Then lordship will consider it. Without record, my lord.
One page is missing, my lord, that is in
Okay.
Xerox, some.
Considering the submission made by the counsel for consent, the petitioner declared of the petition hereby asked to furnish a proper copy of the compromise deed. The planet
Has not been of record, my lord. In a court record.
and letter PP, and as well as it should be being on record to an additional list accordingly on 31st. We'll see it on that.
My lord, 31st. In the meantime, I'll.
How you have to
Howling.
Maybe this version.
But here, Lordship was pleased to call for a report, madam, on the CID, madam.
Yes.
Whether any case has been registered against him or not, madam. I
Yes.
received one. Madam, here, what happened, madam, here, both of them were called by the CID officer, madam, for some interrogation, for some cases, madam. Here, Lordship may kindly please last portion, madam. First page, madam. Report, madam. Both of them called by the CID, madam, as there are some transactions, both of them with the complainant, madam, but they have not appeared before the CID. Lordship may kindly please last. First page, last page.
Your name is?
There is a Rupsan and my lord, that name or
Petitioner's
mentioned.
name is
Ashraf and
Ashraf.
Ashraf
Ashraf and
Rupsan. Second page, my lord, last but one, my lord, there.
It's a case of cybercrime. You were asked by the cyber police station only to
Inquire about that.
just inquiry about the transactions which have been made or alleged to have been made.
He's totally unknown, Your Lordship. He not known his.
Those all the transactions were made from your account or whatever they was there.
Prosecution is ready to cooperate the investigation officer. Your Lordship.
No, between that, no case has been raised. You were simply asked to appear so that they can make an inquiry in regards to the whether it is a fact is true or not. Because it is that both persons were called to say it so and so. Because no case was registered because the actual fact whether the transactions were truly made by your petitioner Ashraful and Rupchan Ali could not be established since the transfers were made by some third party. So they could not establish the fact that whether those transactions were made from your account or whether it. In that regard, only you were asked to appeal. That apart, if case is suppose registered, also the cybercrime in a blanket order cannot be given to protect you. A case of a serious in nature, if it is been done by you, till now it is not there.
No.
So there are we are asked to appear. If suppose if any FIR would have been registered, then the matter would have been different. Then we could have called for the case diary also to know the fact. But at present, we are not in a position to call for the case diary or the FIR because till now nothing has been registered. Otherwise, it's a case of serious injury because it's a case of cyber. So that's the issue. So we are going to close this. If you get any information or if you get any receipt that in FIR has already been registered against you, then option will be definitely with you. You can your liberty to file an application. But till now, nothing has been there. No FIR is filed. So there are some. Obviously, it is edited by the IO that you were called by the cyber police station to appear. You can open it also, but at this stage we cannot give you any blanket protection. That is it. Yeah. Item number 2. You are Mr.
Islam.
Mr. K. Islam, Madam. B. Sharma, Madam. The Mr. Sharma has submitted a report received from the IO. From the result of the report, we seen that no case has been registered against these two petitioners till date. And as it could not be established that the transactions were made by these two petitioners. In view of this, the present and without any restriction of the case or without being any apprehension of it, a blanket order of protection cannot be provided. However, both the petitioners are at liberty to file fresh application for bail in the event of any registering any case against the petitions. In view of this, the present AB is hereby closed. It is closed. And it's just not.
Please, my lord, this bail application in connection with Alloment case number 5625 under section 16. My lord, there is the FIR, page 15, my lord. আধারকারী উপাখনানাথ পদকীয়া বিকাশ যাদৱ 1 নম্বৰ 16 পেজ সন্মানপূৰ্বক বিনীত নিবেদন এই যে মই এজনী ধাৰাপুৰ নিবাসী চাৰিআলি বাসিন্দা হওঁ আজি 2 বছৰ ধৰি শ্ৰী দেৱেন্দ্ৰ যাদৱৰ জ্যেষ্ঠ পুত্ৰ বিকাশ যাদৱৰ সৈতে মোৰ প্ৰেমৰ সম্পৰ্ক চলি আছে বিকাশ যাদৱৰে মোক বিয়া পাতিম বুলি কৈ মোৰ সৈতে শাৰীৰিক সম্পৰ্ক স্থাপন কৰে এই বিষয়ে মই মোৰ মাক অৱগত কৰাত মা আৰু দেউতাই তেওঁলোকৰ ঘৰলৈ গৈ মোৰ সৈতে থকা সম্পৰ্কৰ কথা বিকাশ যাদৱৰ মাক দেউতাকক কয় বিকাশ যাদৱ আৰু তেওঁৰ মাক দেউতাকৰ সন্মতিক্ৰমে মোৰ এপ্ৰিল মাহৰ 22/4/2025 তাৰিখে আঙুঠি পিন্ধোৱা পৰ্ব সমাধান কৰোঁ এই আঙুঠি পিন্ধোৱা পৰ্ব দুয়োপক্ষৰ আত্মীয় তথা ৰাইজ উপস্থিত থাকে আঙুঠি পিন্ধোৱা পৰ্বৰ পিছত যোৱা এপ্ৰিল মাহৰ 25/4/2025 ইংৰাজী তাৰিখে বিকাশ যাদৱৰ এটি পথ দুৰ্ঘটনাত লখৰাত থকা প্ৰাৰ্থনা চিকিৎসালয়ত ভৰ্তি হয় ভৰ্তি হোৱাৰ পিছদিনা মই মোৰ ভাবি স্বামী বিকাশ যাদৱক সৈতে চিকিৎসালয়ত চোৱা চিতা কৰি আছিলোঁ ঠিক তেনে সময়তে এগৰাকী ছোৱালী আহি মোক নানান ধৰণৰ দাবী ধমকি দিয়ে আৰু তাৰ পৰা মোক গুচি যাবলৈ কয় আৰু তই কোন হয় বুলি প্ৰশ্ন কৰে মই আচৰিত হৈ চিকিৎসালয়ত পৰি যাওঁ আৰু মোৰ মা দেউতাই আহি পোৱাত মোক মোজাৰৰ পৰা উঠাই আৰু কাৰণ জানিব বিচাৰে তেতিয়াহে আচল কাৰণ ওলাই পৰে সেইজনী ছোৱালী পূজা দাস বিকাশ যাদৱৰ প্ৰেমিকা হয় পূজা দাস নামৰ ছোৱালীজনীয়ে বহুত বেয়াকৈ গালি গালাজ পাৰে আৰু এই বিকাশ যাদৱে মনে মনে থাকে মোৰ ভাবি স্বামী বিকাশ যাদৱ তেতিয়া চিকিৎসালয়ৰ পৰা ঘৰলৈ উভতি আহে তেতিয়াৰ পৰা মোৰ লগত কোনো ধৰণৰ ফোনৰ SMS আদি পৰা বিৰত থাকে মই ফোন কৰিলে মোক ফোন কৰিবলৈ মানা কৰে তাৰপিছত মোক মা দেউতাই তেওঁলোকৰ ঘৰলৈ লৈ যোৱাত দুৰ্ব্যৱহাৰ কৰে আৰু মোক ভৱিষ্যতে বিয়া পাতিব নোৱাৰি বুলি কয় আৰু বিকাশ যাদৱতে কাৰণ সোধাত ভাতৃ ৰাহুল যাদৱ জয় মাতৃ আৰু পিতৃ এখন 4-চকীয়া বাহন সোণৰ গহনা 5 তোলা আঙুঠি আইফোন আদি ডিমাণ্ড কৰে কৈছে Millard, allegation 69 is not attracted because if anything happened before love, there is no intention from previous stage of because a previous stage of their relationship not to marry because if he has intention, then he will not have performed ring ceremony. After ring ceremony, he faced with an accident and the girl create a scene in the hospital. So, because Zadov is a private service holder, now he is apprehending his arrest. And Supreme Court has verdict if any breach of promise of marriage is not amounting to rape. So, Section 69 is not attracted because there is no intention at the previous stage. Now, also, the accused person is agreed to marry, but the informant is not interested to marry the accused person. So, Miller, pre-arrest bail may be granted.
Interim protection was granted to the accused number 2 and 3 by the.
No, final bail is also.
Final bail has additional bail has been granted by the additional session judge.
2, 3,
But in respect of the petitioner, my lord, sufficient incriminating materials are evident. That is the findings of the my lord. It's considered.
Additional PP agreement. This application. Considering the submission made by materials available in the statement, the statement made in the FI and other aspects which is to extend later interim period is still then the petition. Okay, will be under interim protection.
Miller, public.
Appear 40 IO and cooperating date.
Miller, sir.
Seven nine.
Public.
Your Lordship, will find a vernacular FIR on page 17, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, this is a fight between relatives, Your Lordship. So allegations under section 329, subsection 3, section 118, subsection 2, and 74 of BNSS. BNS, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, if I may read out, Your Lordship, FIR, para 7, page 70. মহাশয় সন্মান পূৰ্ব বিনীত নিবেদন এই যে তলত উল্লেখ কৰা পদকীয়গণ মোৰ স্বামীৰ ভাই ও ভতিজা হয়। যোৱা কিছুদিন ধৰি ভাইৰ মাজত মাটি লৈ কাজিয়া চলি আছিল আৰু যোৱাকালি ইংৰাজী 14/6/2025 তাৰিখে ৰাতি অনুমান 9টা মান বজাত পদকীয়গণে হাতে হাতে লাঠি দাহ লোহাৰ ৰড আদি চোকা অস্ত্ৰ শস্ত্ৰ লৈ সুসজ্জিত হৈ আমাৰ ঘৰত অনাধিকাৰে প্ৰৱেশ কৰি পদকীয় ৰফিক আলী আৰু জাহাংগীৰ আলমে ঘৰৰ ভিতৰৰ পৰা মোৰ স্বামীক আসিৰুদ্দিনক টানি বাহিৰত উলিয়াই লৈ পদকীয়গণে হত্যা কৰাৰ উদ্দেশ্যে চোকা অস্ত্ৰ ও ৰড দি ওপৰত জুপুৰি মাৰপিট কৰি থকাত মোৰ দেৱৰ আফজল হকে আগবাঢ়ি গৈ বাধা দিয়া পদকীয়গণে তেওঁলোকক মাৰপিট কৰি গুৰুত্বভাৱে জখম কৰে আৰু ৰছিদ আলীয়ে ঘৰত ভিতৰত সোমাই মোৰ জা চাহিদা খাতুনৰ চুলি মুঠিত ধৰি টানি বাহিৰত আনি মাৰপিট কৰি হাত দি পিন্ধন থকা কাপোৰ টানি ফুলি শালীনতা নষ্ট কৰে। এনেতে মই আগবাঢ়ি যোৱাত পদকীয়গণে মোকো মাৰপিট কৰি জখম কৰে। উল্লেখ থাকে যে পদকীয়গণে মাৰপিট কৰাৰ ফলত মোৰ স্বামী আসিৰুদ্দিন দেৱৰ আফজল হক আৰু জা চাহিদা খাতুনৰ হাত ভৰি ভাঙি যায় আৰু সৰ্বশৰীৰত গুৰুত্ব জখম হয়। পিছত স্থানীয় ৰাইজে পুলিচ খবৰ দিয়াত পুলিচে ঘটনাস্থলীত আহি উপস্থিত হৈ আমাক ৰক্ষা কৰি চিকিৎসালয়ৰ বাবে গৌৰীপুৰ হাস্পতালত লৈ যায়। যদিও জখম গুৰুত্ব হোৱাৰ বাবে উন্নত চিকিৎসাৰ বাবে ডাক্তৰে ধুবুৰী মেডিকেল কলেজ এণ্ড হস্পিতাললৈ প্ৰেৰণ কৰে আৰু বৰ্তমান জখমীগণ ধুবুৰী মেডিকেল কলেজ হস্পিতালত চিকিৎসাধীন হৈ অৱস্থাত আছে। গতিকে মহোদয়, so this and this. Your Lordship, now there are 5 accused, Your Lordship. I am for accused number 1, 3, and accused number 4. So accused number 4 is the petitioner number 1 of this petition, Your Lordship. And from plain reading of the entire FIR, Your Lordship, there is no allegation against the accused petitioner number 1, that is the accused number 4, Aher Ali. And Your Lordship, while filing the FIR, didn't have the material, Your Lordship. There is also a cross FIR, Your Lordship, filed against them. So at this stage, Your Lordship, a call for the case diary, Your Lordship. And may I pray for Your Lordship interim protection for the petition number 1, Your Lordship, because Aher Ali's name has not been shown or nothing has been implicated against him in the entire FIR, Your Lordship. That is about Rafiq Ali, Rasid Ali, Jahangir Alam, nothing against Aher Ali, Your Lordship.
Specific name is there by the FIR, the name of the Rafiq Ali, Jahangir Alam, and Rashid Ali, that they inflicted the injury to the mother, the complainant.
Who is that? Rafiq Ali? Jahangir Alam?
Rafiq Ali, my love, first, আমাৰ ঘৰত অনাধিকাৰ প্ৰৱেশ কৰি পদকীয়া ৰফিক আলী আৰু জাহাংগীৰ আলমে মোৰ স্বামীক আনি হত্যা কৰাৰ উদ্দেশ্যে চোকা অস্ত্ৰ ৰড দি মাৰপিট কৰে। Next, my lord.
Rasid Ali.
মোৰ যা বাদেন কৰে ৰছিদ আলীয়ে, my lord, আৰু ৰছিদ আলীয়ে ঘৰৰ ভিতৰত সোমাই মোৰ যা চহিদা খাতুনক শালীনতা নষ্ট কৰে। These are the named accused, my lord.
I am not for Jahangir Alam. I am for Rafiq Ali and Rasid Ali, Your Lordship. For that too, Your Lordship may peruse the case diary, peruse the medical documents, and thereafter, Your Lordship may pass an order in the hearing stage. But Aher Ali's name, Your Lordship, there is nowhere in the entire FIR, Your Lordship. He is totally innocent, Your Lordship. He is the petition number 1, Your Lordship. So at this stage, Your Lordship, I am seeking interim protection for Aher Ali. Rest to Your Lordship may decide after receiving the case diary and the medical reports, Your Lordship, if I am.
Aher Ali is the son of the mother Rafiq Ali.
Your Lordship, just because out of grudge, Your Lordship, his name has been, he's a young boy, Your Lordship.
Ahmed Ali is son of,
Rafiq Ali, my lord,
but
whose name
there
is
is son of Umar Ali is written. Umar and Rafiq is same.
I hear Umar Ali. Rafiq Ali is the brother of Rafiq Ali.
Your lordship, these are brothers, so if
Brother of
one
Rafiq.
is implicated, others.
Rafiq Ali, Pita Umar Ali. Ahir Ali, Pita Umar Ali.
Brother.
Brother.
Your lordship, that is not a material fact. The fact is that your lordship, Ahir Ali's name cannot be seen, your lordship, on a bare perusal of the FIR, your lordship. Yes, Rasid Ali and Rafiq Ali, your lordship may decide in the hearings.
I see. Some and dispute the FIR has been looked with false information. How there are some implications against petition number 2 and 3, but the petition number 1 is the name of petition number 1 is not mentioned in the FIR, showing to the FIR and who is not at all involved in the arrest. It's something that the petition number 1 may be provided with some protection so that he can appear and cooperate with it. That there is no direct implication against the petition number 1. However, it's seen that the petition number 1 is the brother petition number 3, who is stated to be involved in the arrest of assaulting. So, according to Cybercrime, that security called the actual hearing this also and with this question the interim pay to the present petitioner number 1 is that therefore interim pay to other petitioners number 2 and 3 is not considered at this stage in the CDP 7-9. 7-9 we are calling for it. 1 will be under protection.
1 minute. Also, your lordship may also call for the medical record, medical injury report, your lordship.
CD along with the bill.
My lord.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, this is a case where, lordship, the petitioner is the owner and also driver of the vehicle of a two-wheeler truck. Lordship, 10-wheeler truck. What happened, lordship? From West Bengal to Silapothar of Dhemaji district, he carried near about 41 metric ton of iron. And lordship, what happened? On 5th of April, the truck reached Dhemaji town, where the engine failed, completely engine failed. And lordship, the driver came back to Guwahati for searching of a well mechanic. And lordship, on 9th, with the help of the mechanic, on 9th of April, the truck reached the Silapothar, the destination. And lordship, after reaching on 9th of April there, he decided to stay there in their premises, to whom he carried the TMT bars. On 10th of April, the vehicle got fire. And who put fire the vehicle, we don't know. Thereafter, lordship, what happened? On 12th April, Fire and Emergency Services issued a certificate, which is at page number, lordship, 19 Annexure C. Before that, we have lodged an FIR. We lodged an FIR which is at page number 18. This is our FIR, the petitioners. I am Prabhat Kumar Singh, residing in so-and-so, Bardhaman, West Bengal. I am writing to report a fire incident that occurred in my lorry vehicle number so-and-so on 10th of April 2025, 8:55 hours in the morning. The incident took place in the premises of Sostik Enterprise. I have collected the TMT bars from Mohim Steel Factory, Ansanol. The delivery is being handled by MS Megaton Logistic Sostik Enterprise located in Silapothar, Assam. This information I have lodged before the Silapothar police station. And Lordship, next day, this is the certificate from the Fire and Extinguishers Services. Thereafter, the vehicle, I carried the vehicle to the nearby garage to repair my vehicle. RB Motors. And Lordship, on 22nd of April, the Sostik Enterprise, they are now reporting that 6.1 metric ton of iron is missing from the truck. And Lordship, GDNT, now case is not being registered. GDNT has been done. Now, Lordship, question is that I have carried the TMT bars. I reached the spot. For 2 days, I was not in the truck because I have to search a mechanic in Guwahati. Thereafter, I reached Sostik Enterprise and they put the, I don't know, but my truck was put into fire. Thereafter, when I carried the vehicle to the nearby garage to repair it, now GDNT has been registered saying that 6.1 metric ton of iron TMT bar is missing. Now, Lordship, may I pray that as the case is not being registered till date, and Lordship, I am paying per month 1 lakh of rupees as installment for the truck. Now, Lordship, the truck is since April 10th, the truck is lying there. So, Lordship, I want to go to the police station for taking Zimma of my truck. So, GDNT has been registered and no case has been registered. May I be protected, my lord, with a interim?
You have submitted, yeah?
Yes, Lordship, yes.
Page 20. Page 20.
Page 23, Lordship. Annexer F. Annexer F, page number 23.
This is against you.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, this is a case where my duty is to carry the TMT bars, Lordship. While loading the TMT bars from the West Bengal side, Lordship, how they weight and what the proper weight is there, I don't know, first thing. And second thing, Lordship, my truck was failed in Dhemaji. For 2 days, I was out of the truck. I was in Guwahati in search of mechanic. Thereafter, I reached the spot. Now, allegation is that 6.1 metric ton of iron is missing from the truck, and my truck is put to the fire. Now, Lordship, GDNT is there. So, Lordship, may I be protected that I may go to the police station? Because, Lordship, per month, 1 lakh of rupees I am paying. Now, I need the truck.
You are a driver or an owner?
Owner. I'm the owner and come driver. And I cannot put my own truck to fire, Lordship. Page number 24. Page number 24, EMI is there, is pending. See, several EMI is now pending, Lordship. per month 1 lakh of rupees I have to pay for the truck. I may be protected, Lordship. I want to go to the police station.
The case has not been registered, my lord. It appears from the seizure list, my lord, page 20. The GD entry is there, my lord. Report may be called from the syllabus of PS.
Yes, Lordship. What will you call for?
GD entry, there are some kind of investigation.
Much, sir. But the GD entry is there, and as per his own submission, my lord, that the loss theft is there about the certain quantity of the TMT also, my lord. There may be some investigation, maybe there may be something subsequently also, my lord. And it is dated, my lord, 22/4/2025. The document, the petition annex here. Then 3 months has already been passed, my lord. What is the investigation stage of investigation at this stage?
Yes, yes,
It is
Lordship.
of 22/4 April. my
Report
lord.
may
Now
be
it's
called for,
July, my lord.
but Lordship, I may be protected, Lordship.
I want to go to office.
I want to submit everything, Lordship, before the police.
Your name is not reflected.
G Samoa.
No, name is not reflected.
Yes, not reflected. I mean, mine, his name is there.
It's okay. Yeah. It's okay. It is submitted. So that present petitioner at RTI lost. Okay. In which police station you have lost?
Silapothar police station, Lordship.
No, you have also lost. a case?
Yes, I have also lodged and
Silapothar.
আমি ধেমাজিত দিছিলোঁ Silapothar. Yes.
In the ultimately, when someone had got the truck of the present petition, which were loaded with TMT parts. TMT parts supposed to be part of that the truck had reached the destination of at Silapothar Maji, and as his truck was damaged, he was busy with bringing mechanical and their technical stuff, and thereafter one FIR has been launched by a Swastik what?
Swastik Enterprise.
Swastik Enterprise.
Silapothar. Swastik Enterprise.
Allegation of theft of 6.5 TMT
TMT bars.
TMT parts from the truck, the basis of which a GD entry has been made, and the truck is also seized in connection with said GD. But till that no FIR has been registered against the present petitioner. But the investigation is already progressed on the basis of the GD. He accordingly submitted that the report will be called for from the police station, but till the receipt of the report, he will be provided with some interim protection so that he can appear and pray for the due of his truck. That's okay, submitted the report will be called for. But from the submission made by an account for the petition, it reveals that till that no case has been registered yet. Let report be called for from the officer in charge, teacher, as to whether any case has been registered against the present petitioner. On reference to the GD entry made in the syllabus. Till the receipt of the report, petitioner is provided with some interim protection accordingly, and the and no further action shall be taken against the present petition by Silapatra police station till next step. It's according. It's sorry, it additional people will take steps in calling the report from the constable. It's from maybe Port or bit. Port? Port of. Port we are. We are in particular there that you will not be no coercive action shall be taken against you because in protection that manner only we can.
And this,
No coercive action shall
no-
be taken against.
yes, it's no coercive action. Oblige, Lordship. No coercive action.
May it please your Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of the petitioner. This is an application under section 482 of the BNSS. The FIR is at page number 11 of the petition. Lordship, I, Sri Pradeep Kumar Brahma, son of late so and so, have the honor to inform you that on 1/6/2025 at around 8:40 p.m., one Sri Prasenjit Daimari, accused person herein, had called my cousin brother Sri Deva Brahma over the phone having mobile number so and asked my cousin to come to the Northeast Gateway bus terminal, Gosaigao. And when my cousin brother reached there, he could not find the accused person. Thereafter, again the accused person called and asked my cousin brother to come to the Greenwood Resort and Family Dhaba. And that on reaching the said dhaba, the accused person who had a previous plan to kill my cousin brother came forward and without any provocation attacked and stabbed my cousin brother with khukri while my cousin brother was getting down from his vehicle, resulting he suffered severe injuries on his chest and blood oozed out of all over his body. Thereafter, immediately my cousin brother was taken by Sri Gangacharan Bosumotari, Dino Narzari, Sri Devashish Narzari to Gosaigao RNB Civil Hospital, but on seeing the critical condition of my cousin brother was referred and taken to the MRM Hospital, Kokrajhar, and presently he is in critical condition, fighting with life and death. Lordship, the petitioner and the alleged victim are known to each other and share a friendly relationship. The incident arose from a sudden altercation under the influence of alcohol and was neither deliberate nor the pre-planned. Notably, the victim has recovered and is in good health. It is further submitted that the petitioner to sustain injuries during the course of incident, indicating that it was not a one-sided assault. Lordship, it is also relevant to mention that the petitioner's wife had lodged a separate complaint before the police regarding the same incident. However, no FIR was registered on that complaint and only the present FIR has been acted upon. Lordship, the petitioner is a permanent resident at Kokrajhar, has no criminal record and is ready to fully cooperate with the investigation. Lordship, the petitioner humbly prays that interim protection kindly be granted.
CD may be called for my lord. The previous injuries, their stabbing is there, my lord. And he is in the life and death condition in the hospital, my lord. CD may.
Lordship, he is in a good condition.
At this stage, my lord. And serious allegations are there.
For you, he has recovered.
There is no document here.
There are no documents, we cannot say, because condition he is, as reported, his condition was very serious. And he was fighting with his life and death. But obviously, you may have some instructions, but at this stage, we better to call for the case diary and with the medical. And see. 18:8. You were not on interim, so we are listing after 18 so that it can be.
Please, Lordship. Previous bail application, this affair was the outcome of love affairs of two young persons, and the father of the girl lost this affair against the family members of the boy and other relatives. So in this case, Lordship will find the FIR at page 14. There is no direct allegation against me. I am the old person, old relative. Now, against me, Lordship, যোৱা পৰহি দিনা আমাৰ গাঁৱৰে মহম্মদ কুদ্দুছ আলী নামৰ ব্যক্তিজনে মোৰ ছোৱালী দিনৰ 12 বজাত ৰাস্তাত লগ পাই ৰাবুল হুছেইন নামৰ ল'ৰাজনলৈ নগলে মোৰ ছোৱালী অপহৰণ কৰি নিব বুলি সকিয়নি দিছিল। So this is the only allegation against me, that statement. And the alleged kidnapping was also unsuccessful as per the bare perusal of the FIR. So, and the FIR was lodged on 16/1/2025. So for kidnapping is concerned, Lordship, maximum punishment is 7 years. So
The
if we
girl recovered.
recovered, no, alleged kidnapping was unsuccessful from the bare perusal of the FIR. So I will read it. আমি ঘটনাৰ বিষয়ে জানিব পাৰি হাই হুলস্থুল কৰাত মোৰ ছোৱালী আমাৰ গাঁৱৰ ৰাইজৰ সহযোগত AS01 EJ6308 আৰ্টিগা ZXI খনত আমাৰ গাঁৱৰ ৰাস্তাতে মোৰ ছোৱালী অজ্ঞান অৱস্থাত পদকীয়া সহ উদ্ধাৰ কৰোঁ। So alleged offense of kidnapping was not there, unsuccessful, and after the lodging of the FIR, Lordship, now this girl used to reside with the accused number 1, that is Rabul Hussain. So I am the old person. My name is I am the number 4 accused. So as per the maximum punishment is 7 years, Lordship. So if we follow the principle of until judgment, Para 63 says that it's category A offense. So discretion be in favor of the accused. So I may be protected.
So, 17 years old girl, my lord, was kidnapped, my lord, but it could not be success due to the, my lord, intervention of the, my lord, parents, my lord. So offense is there, my lord, and that has not been denied by the petition. And regarding his involvement in that particular incident, my lord, that has been specifically mentioned in the FIR.
That is my statement only, Lordship. I was not there. So now girl and boy is staying in Nogao. So for my information, after this incident. So I may be protected. I'm old person, Lordship. I have annexed my ID proof and all.
Oh, Mr.
PK Sharma.
Application. He was named as an accused. A liquor for kidnapping him for kidnapping. But on the FIR itself, it is in that the attempt was successful, and as per informed the petitioner, the accused number 1 staying there. However, the accused is willing to go back in case. process that it and that there was an attempt of kidnapping 17-year-old minor girl, and there is specific mention about the involvement. According to the some didn't don't know the competent submission made by an account. Other aspects of the matter, service statement which we have. I find that it's correct in the privilege of okay, will be under interpretation.
Blitz.
And 9 I diploma only. Yes.
May I please your lordship?
Yes.
My lord, it is application under section 482, my lord. The offences are registered under my lord 318, 3162, 3165, my lord, sitting and my lord criminal bishop class. My lord will file the FIR at page 9, my lord.
Yes, page 9.
My lord, may I read, my lord?
Yes, you can.
My lord, with due respect, I would like to inform you that the said accused person is the owner of a shop. My lord, the accused person, Meena Julla, my lord, the petitioner before your lordship, is the owner of a shop, namely Bharat Hardware at Bodorpur. Since about 1 year back, I bought tiles from his shop for my house. Since then, I have been introduced with the accused. The accused number 1 opened Quotex trading account and teaches me trading. I have started business through my email ID, password, so and so email account in my name. There was 33,000 US dollar in my account. I was in urgent need of money, but I do not know the procedure for withdrawal of money. The accused told me that he has an agent for withdrawal of money, and the accused number 1 through my WhatsApp number so and so communicate with their WhatsApp number so and so on last 29/2024 and ask for help. The accused asked me to open balance ID, and accordingly I open balance ID account so and so. Thereafter, as per the instruction of the accused number 1, I have deposited my UPI ID so and so along with a raise of 50,000 Indian rupees in the Google account of in so and so axis of the accused. Thereafter, the accused, after depositing 457 US dollar in my balance ID number, link the account. Thereafter, the accused number 1 has informed me through WhatsApp to give my password ID number. I simply gave my ID number to accused number 1 on last 6/10/2024. I have received SMS in my mobile that the entire amount of my account has been withdrawn, but I am not receiving any money. Later on, I have come to know after searching that the amount has been transferred to a new account, so and so number. In such manner, the accused number 1 through his agent cheated me and vanishing my money. As regards above mentioned subject matter, if the accused was for adjudication before the local judge, then the accused pretend with the pretext that he will give or already given. Delay was caused in lodging the FIR because I was waiting for adjudication. So, my lord, basically the entire FIR is, my lord, concocted. I will explain the reason. First of all, my lord, I will like to draw your lordship's kind attention as regards to this, my lord. Page number 15, my lord. Page number 15, my lord. My lord, I am annexing his document, my lord, that to substantiate the fact that he is a student, my lord. Lordship may kindly see his name appears on my lord top student, my lord. Meena Julla, that is his my lord registration certificate. Presently, he is reading in my lord degree first year. Thereafter, my lord, lordship may kindly turn the page, lordship. Page 20, my lord. This is the seizure list, my lord.
Yes.
Page 20 on top, my lord, the description of the seizure articles, my lord. One trade license of Messrs. Bharat Hardware, owner name Aisha Siddiqa. So, my lord, this, I am not the owner of the shop. I am a student, my lord. This, my lord, the shop is in the Bharat Hardware. This shop is, my lord, in the name of my mother, my lord. I am a student, my lord. My lord, thereafter, another significant point is there, my lord. So here, after, my lord, that the petition, the informant is, my lord, receiving the, my lord, here, my lord, nothing is there that they forcefully, the, my lord, the accused is, my lord, try to gain, my lord, something from him. Herein, my lord, that lordship may kindly see that the, my lord, as per allegation, the petitioner, my lord, the informant is receiving the SMS that somebody has, my lord, withdrawn his, my lord, amount from his account on 6/10/2024. And, my lord, the FIR was lost on, my lord, 4/4/2025, my lord, after expiry of 6 months. After expiry, another significant point, my lord, wherein, my lord, as per the allegation, even if we assume that the allegations are true, my lord, wherein, as per the allegation, wherein that my lord, the account, wherein, as per the allegation, the money has been transferred, my lord, that is not my account. I am no, my lord, I am no way, my lord, related with this account, my lord. This account is, my lord, in the name of somebody else. So, my lord, the persons at his own risk, my lord, own behest, my lord, doing trading. And, my lord, if, my lord, the whatever may be the transactions, that he will, my lord, very much aware. And, my lord, he's saying that there is some agent, my lord, after expiry of it, he could have, my lord, lodged an FIR or before, my lord, approached before the cyber authority for investigation at the very moment beginning when, my lord, he have received the, my lord, SMS. After expiry of 6 months, with an ulterior motive, my lord, he's lodging the FIR. So I'm a student, my lord, I'm facing difficulties in attending my class. My lord, I may be protected, my lord. In the meantime, I will appear before the, my lord, concerned police stations, my lord, investigating. I will cooperate with the investigating authority, my lord, you know, whatever manner required. And even if, my lord, if we assume that, my lord, allegations are true, my lord, there is nothing is there to substantiate this, my lord, that I'm committing any crime. 6 month delay lodging the FIR. My lord, trading, he is, my lord, himself at his own risk, my lord. These are international, my lord, account accessible by the, my lord, internet. Some experts are there. So my custodial detention is not required, my lord. Everything can be accessible through internet. So let them police be investigation, my lord. I'm a student, my lord, and prima facie I'm not involved. Money has not been transferred in my name. I will, my lord, cooperate with the investigating authority. I may be protected.
If the student, my lord, if they look into the seizure list, my lord, their bank account, bank checkbook in the name of the different banks, my lord.
But there is no bar. Having an account in the name of a student, my lord, there is no bar.
Annexure 16, page 16, Annexure 3, my lord, seizure list. It appears from the seizure list that the person, that petitioner, my lord, he has the several bank accounts in his name. In the name of trading, my lord, everybody is now, what is happening in the Assam, my lord, in the name of trading. In the name of trading, somebody is duped, my lord, is hard earning money has been duped by some persons, my lord. Whether this case, my lord, is deserved, my lord, is not deserved for interim protection, my lord. It is required to be inquired, my lord. Regarding the student, my lord, if he is a student, if he has certain bank accounts, that, my lord, if he is in the, not only as a student, he is doing the business also, maybe, my lord, and he has the bank account, my lord. So is this type of frauds, my lord, is there, my lord? It is required to be, my lord. It
So
is.
you belong to a very rich family,
Yes, ma'am.
very rich.
Very rich, my lord, my lord.
Having 6-7 accounts in your, being a
No,
student.
6-7 accounts is not that.
Your parents had opened 6-7 numbers of accounts
My
in your
lord,
paper.
my lord, some
Very
business
rich
transaction.
seems to be.
My lord, having an
Having accounts in many, it's not a offense.
My lord.
It cannot be. But the question is that he is a student.
He's a
Just
student
degree
by
first year. I mean, if
student,
we are in
yes.
degree first year, he has such kind of thing.
My lord, he has the, my
Do
lord.
you think it is a case of interim? I don't think so.
No, my lord, it is an absolute case of interim.
Not-
With
not
with all due respect, my lord. But
But,
based on the discussion of the court, my lord, just I would like to, my lord, submit one thing. My lord, the allegation is not like that I am taking money from somebody else. I'm investing in that, my lord, that money in, my lord,
That is
in trading. Only that, my lord, the fact is that somebody has given me the as per the allegation. If we assume it is true, somebody has given me the ID and the account money has been transferred, my lord, to the, my lord, somebody else's accounts. So it is the duty of the police to, my lord, to seize the account. The police has not seizing the
Let's
account.
see
Instead,
what police has done now.
thereby, my lord, I am saying, instead, my lord, they are, my lord, seizing my bank accounts and my educational testimonials. Lordship, my
But
kindly see.
without having any your involvement, why bank account has been seized?
My lord, that is avoidable. And my lord, kindly see, my lord, just for a moment, my lord, with all due respect, my lord, Lordship 20. My lord, what is the involvement of my educational testimonials in this case? They are seizing, my lord, all these, my lord, higher secondary admit cards, my lord.
I have seen.
All this. That's why, my lord, I'm saying, even if we assume that it is true, my lord, my involvement is not there. And my lord, my custodial detention, how it is required, my lord, because everything is accessible through internet. The allegation is not like that I'm taking lakhs of crores of money,
Police may not be so smart.
my lord.
You are smart enough, but police
No,
may
no,
not be so
absolutely
smart.
not, my lord. Absolutely not. I'm not smart, my lord. Just only, my lord, if we on the very face of the and my lord, another significant is the lordship are only considering the one aspect, my lord. My lord, only one aspect, my lord. Kindly see that, my lord, kindly only considering one aspect, my lord. There is a supreme, the settled proposition of law, my lord. When that FIR is, my lord, lost after, my lord, expiry of, my lord, 6 months, that the veracity of the, my lord, allegation are always in doubt. But here if there is something happens like that,
You can make a
he could have, my lord, lost the FIR. I am a student, my lord. I am praying before lordship. I will cooperate with the investigating authority, any of her.
If it is registered after 6 months, there may not be a case also. You can approach before the land affair.
Oh, my lord, that is, my lord, considering the veracity, my lord. My lord, if there is, my lord, the crores of money is, my lord, vanishing from his account. My lord, he could have, my lord, lost the, my lord, FIR at the very, my lord, the first day.
Let's see what
Lordship, only I am begging, my lord.
38 we are listing it on 38.
I may be protected. Kindly, I am facing difficulties in attending my class, my lord, considering the aspect that I am a student, my lord.
Earlier you should have taken being a student, why you involved all this?
My lord, having the, my lord, accounts only because I belong from a family, my lord.
Accounts may be there. That's why
I'm
very rich.
my lord, seniors are saying and the lords, my lord, that having that I have my numbers of accounts. Well, I belong from a, my lord, family who is, my lord, involved in business. Otherwise, my lord, lordship is just on the face.
Very rich or good.
My lord, if lordship will consider that somebody, my lord,
Okay, last 13.8 we are listing it on for case.
my lord, kindly, my lord. I'm a student, my lord. Considering that aspect, my lord. Somebody is doing, my lord, trading, and my lord, I have been implicated.
Okay,
I'm
we are
in,
listing it on 13.8 for city.
my lord.
No further.
My
No further.
lordship, may kindly only one aspect that if possible that all the relevant documents, my lord, as per the allegation, the account number which has been mentioned in the FIR, my lord.
Will come along with the CD. What kind of documents they have already seized? Everything will come.
My lord. My lord. My lord, can it be on earlier date?
We are fixing it on 13th. Somehow we are fixing it on 13th.
My lord,
Otherwise, it will be.
My lord.
It will go up to September 9th.
My intention was not to, my lord, insist your lordship, my lord, considering the aspect my client interest, my lord. I apologize, my lord.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, this affair has been lost long back in the year 2016, my lord. So, my lord will find the affair at page 13. Basically, the gist of the FIR is that one couple, bank official, they had misappropriated some amounts from some other bank account. My lord, may I read the FIR at page 13?
Yeah.
So I, Pooja Faraddas, manager, so and so, and duly authorized to lodge the subject FIR complaint. A brief fact of the case is furnished therein below that on so and so, we had received a written complaint from our customer Sri Kali Sharan Chaudhary stating that his 3 numbers of KDRs bearing number so and so, amounting to rupees 3 lakhs were closed without his instruction / mandate and misappropriated the fund. When we verified the transaction accounts, it came to light that the KDRs were closed fraudulently during the year 2013 by Mrs. Zumidas, officer posted at our branch. As per record, the following transactions are detected. That on so and so were was closed. Same line, my lord. Here the petitioners case has come a para 2, my lord. Next page 14. That we have received another complaint from our customer, Messrs. BL Developers, proprietor so and so, through our Dispur branch claiming rupees 13 lakh. It is alleged by proprietor Messrs. So and so that he had given a check bearing number so and so of rupees 13 lakh to Mr. Ranjib Hazarika Dispur branch so-and-so, husband of Mrs. Zumidas, for making fixed deposit as per so-and-so, encashment of check was taken place at our Ulubari branch, for which the slip was prepared by Mrs. Zumidas and without any authorization from the customer. Instead of opening fixed deposit of so-and-so account in the name of customer, the check amount of so-and-so transferred fraudulently to the following two accounts, different accounts, misappropriated the same, Messrs. Mahabagola Enterprise and Messrs. CDS Associates. Here, the petitioner is one of the partner of the Messrs. Mahabagola Enterprise. Basically, the petitioner was the servant of these two bank officials. So they have opened this all bank accounts and everything, even the farm also, in the name of the servant, in the name of the petitioner. And thereafter, they have defrauded money from the other accounts and credited to his account, and they have withdrawn it also. But the offense here is regarding the petitioner is nowhere, my lord. Why I'm saying, and it was in the year 2016, and similar FIR, my lord, was lodged in the year 2015 also. Similar offense, my lord. Same bank, same fraud, same accused person, my lord. Same bank official. And in that case, the petitioner was
Which year?
My lord,
Which year?
2015. My lord will find the FIR at page 22. I have an X details. And in that case, petitioner was granted bail. Thereafter, charge sheet was filed. He has been regularly appearing before the learned CGM, Kamrup Metro here, and he has been appearing till today, my lord. But now on this month, on 21st, he has received a notice under section 41A regarding this present case, my lord. My lord will find the 41A notice at page 17.
This is a case of year 2013.
2016, my lord. FIR is of 2016. They have issued the notice under 41A in this month, my lord. After 9 years.
In page 13, you have a next one FIR.
Yes, my
Page
lord.
13.
Page 13, yes.
This is of which year? 16.
16, my lord. 1/1/2016. FIR dated.
So now you have received the notice on 41A in
21/7 to 2025. Whereby I was directed to appear on 28/7 yesterday, my lord. But I could not appear because there is apprehension, my lord. I'm ready to appear, my lord.
So you are connected with this Bogola.
Yes, Messrs. Mahabagola Enterprise. This farm was opened and registered by that bank official itself, those bank officials, my lord. I was the servant only. If your lordship will look at the earlier bill order, my lord, there was an observation. This is important also. At page 28. The third paragraph.
Yes.
From the materials, it has further surfaced that the accused was made a pawn on the chessboard spread by the principal accused, and he used him to have wrongful gain by the playing fraud upon the said bank. This is the actual case, my lord. So I am ready to appear before the police, and the police may take my statement as 41A notice has been issued. So I am ready, but there is apprehension, they might arrest me. That's why I am before this honorable court, my lord.
There are two FIR, my lord, as stated by the petitioner himself, that a search sheet has been filed in one case in which the bill was granted earlier by the session judge, my lord, that he has pointed out, my lord. That in this is the case of 2016, my lord, and CID issued the notice, my lord, to appear before the CID on 28/7, my lord. And the FIR reveals that the amount that has been defraud from the bank, my lord, deposited in the account of Ma Bagola Enterprise. That is the case. So lordship may consider. That is the case of 2016, FIR is of 2016.
Why no investigation was done since 2016? Been after lapse of 8-9 years. Should be in backup. So yes, we did. Submitted by Mr. Patel, written in he is and he was working as a simply he was working simply he was working as as per you, you are working as a servant in Mabogala.
Yes, my lord.
As a servant.
No, my lord. Servant of the two bank officials. That is the main accused, Jumidas and Ranjiv Hazarika.
Jumida and
Ranjiv Hazarika. Accused number 1 and 2. My lord will find at page 14.
Ranjiv.
Partner of
Ranjiv.
Messrs. Bagla Enterprise. Serial number 4, Sri Babul Kumar.
But they are not the owner of that Google Enterprise.
No, he was the servant of both the bank officials. So they actually defrauding him. So opened a firm and in his name as a partner, my lord. So my lord may referred as a partner of the Mahabagala Enterprise. But my case here is that he was the servant of those bank officials.
Features namely Jumidas and Ranjiv Das, R-A-N-A-E-E Ranjiv Das. Only with defraud the money, they created an account in his name, methods and misappropriated the money. Whether petitioner is no way of India. After he received notice under section 41 CRPC from CRPC in the in connection this both 116 and after a lapse of 9 years, he received a notice connected to similar picture of the similar kind of also lost in case in the year which is winter and present edition from the London High Court. However, he is ready and willing to cooperate high but he is granted with two cases have been lost in petition and with similar kind of allegation and accordingly he insisted on for his side. Yeah. As well as the he'll be under interim protection.
Much obliged, my lord.
CD, my lord.
CDB call for. Italy. I said 40. Second of
Much obliged, my lord.
May it please your lordship.
Yes.
Here the petitioner aged about 25 years is a mother of two minor children, your lordship. And she has been falsely implicated in this case
I'll take your lordship to the FIR at page number 8. So here lordship will find after the complainant there are 3 accused. I am the accused number 3. Page number 8 lordship has got. I am accused number 3. Sharifa Khatun, also Mamuni Khatun. The FIR lordship will get at page number 9. May I read your lordship? With due respect, I beg to state that on 4/5/2025 at around 6 p.m. above named accused number 1 has enticed and kidnapped my minor daughter so and so, date so and so, and he took her to the house of his sister's husband house at so and so. When my daughter started shouting and screaming, then nearby people informed us over the phone that she was safe at that location and assured us that she would be returned shortly. The next day, the same person brought my daughter to the house of accused number 1's aunt located in our village. We then brought her back home from there. The village had decided to resolve the matter socially, but accused number 1 did not agree to any discussion and therefore the matter has remained unresolved. Due to this, we are filing the complaint at this stage. And then, your lordship, additionally, accused number 2 and accused number 3 were co-conspirators and actively assisted accused number 1 in kidnapping my daughter. Now, this petitioner, your lordship, she is the sister-in-law of the accused number 1. Sister-in-law means Bhabi, his brother's wife. Now, this accused number 1 had an affair with the daughter of this informant. On the fateful day, on 4/5/25, they both of them eloped at night time, and he took her to his house, to his sister's house. There, the family member said that no, we will not keep her. They immediately informed her father that your daughter is with us safely and will return back. On the next morning, she was given back to her custody. Then there was a village discussion and they gave proposal for marriage. But the informant did not agree, rather he was demanding money. So after about 20 days, the instant affair has been lost. And in this affair, the family members, that is the this petitioner, she has also been implicated. Allegation is that she has conspired. Already the girl has been recovered. She is safe and healthy with her parents. So the next day, it is in the affair also. And the next morning, she was returned back to her. It was a case of basically a love affair. I'll appear and I'll maybe lordship may correct.
And M.H. Laskar.
Lordship.
Mr. M.H. Laskar. And Mr. D.S. learned everyone. This application. Is statement made in the effort rather will be under interim protection. Same 29 we are listing it. Second of
Oblige, lordship.
CDP.
That's it.
Yes,
Please, your lordship.
Lordship, CD not received.
I'm in custody for 57 days. It is from Dispur. May I pray a short date? Already 57 days, ma'am.
Otherwise, cases of which
Case is, my lord, under 109, attempt to murder. But I, on the last occasion, I had submitted that this person was not involved, my lord, and the victim had also not sustained any injury. So if injury is not there, my lord, it becomes punishable with imprisonment for 10 years. Then it becomes a 60-day offense. So, my lord, next week, my lord, any date convenient to your lordship, ma'am.
we are from dispute.
Dispur, my lord.
Yes.
Should be mentioned. It's a matter of 6th of
My lord. Deeply.
Six.
You have to come again, my lord. My lord, this is a case, my lord, 7 years, ultimate 7 years punishment, my lord. That is criminal breach of trust and some bank transaction basically against the bank allegation, my lord. So now at this stage, we are kindly see the FIR page 15, 41, item 41. Yes, yes.
Yes, page 15.
Yes, page 15, 15, item 41.
Yes.
So basically, Your Lordship, I'm writing to formally report a serious incident of online financial fraud to seek your immediate intervention, investigation, and taking action against the parties involving, including concerned so and so. On 22/5/25, an amount of ₹3 crores plus was fraudulently debited from our SBI cash credit loan account without our knowledge, consent, or authorization. So from the bank, it was debited, my lord. This is the case, my lord. Ashok Motors, they are filing this case. That we wish to highlight the following critical concern. No OTP was received or shared for this transaction. There was no prior verification, alert, or communication from the bank. The transaction was executed without any consent, constituting clear financial fraud. We have sent multiple emails and letters to the bank, but no official written response has been received so far. The bank has breached the commitment of multi-layered security committed at the time of onboarding the account. During repeated follow-ups, we were verbally informed by the bank official that the funds were transferred to an SBI account in the name of RTMT Credit Service Limited. And that the said, I am none of them, my lord. I have nothing to do with this company, my lord. And that the said account has been marked, and not only after filing a complaint by us to Cybercrime at 1930. However, no formal communication of transaction or details have been shared with, include the details of so and so. So this is the next page. We have approached and followed up the following SBI official, but they did not get any response. That is what they are saying, my lord. Lastly, they are saying, my lord, in view of the above, we respectfully request you to initiate a detailed investigation into the unauthorized transaction and related fraud, investigate the conduct and accountability of SBI officials involved, take action under relevant provisions of law for fraud, misappropriation of funds, and criminal breach of trust, ensure the prompt recovery and reimbursement of the debited amount, pursue the legal action against the receiving agent, so and so, we place our songs. So basically, my lord, when transaction was made with that company. So far 41 is concerned, my lord, they will submit, my lord. So far 41 is concerned, this person actually, my lord, he wanted to have a license. And he approached this person, this company, my lord. He has taken 2 lakhs of rupees from him, saying that he will give a license, will be a partner to that here, my lord. That RTMT, my lord. Then, my lord, ultimately he said more than another 8 lakh will be required. So I said, no, I cannot. Therefore, I wanted to get it back. And it was given back to me through his brother. And that brother is transferred from that account to my account. This is how my name has come, my lord. There is no direct transaction so far the present petitioner is concerned, my lord. The one, Ruhul Amin, he is the person, he is also your lordship, my lord. So,
Now, as per you did, 2 lakhs were returned to you.
yes, return to 2 lakh rupees. That return was made through that account, my lord. That's why my name has, I have been taken to custody, my lord. 2 lakh return, and he wanted 8 lakhs more, my lord, that I did not pay, and I wanted to get it back. So ultimately, he has given it back to me, my lord. Only he used that account while getting it back, my lord. So but I am now at this stage, my lord. So far, married, my lord, a friend will say, my lord. All these cases, my lord, Anesh Kumar not followed. 7 years, my lord. 44 days already gone, my lord. Everything is complete.
Some are 56.
Huh?
They are
Oh, some of the 56 days, my lord. Item? 43, 56 days also, my lord.
41, how many days?
What?
41?
Mine is 44, he's 42, and the other is 56 days. Previous one. 60 days is statutory period. So I am inspector, and I am not going on that here, my lord. I am, because we are already there, already thoroughly interrogated, my lord, all documents seized, everything is seized, nothing remained to be investigated, my lord. So on that only, I am not on merit at this stage, my lord, because your lord said, with 60 days, ultimately 60 days, the statutory period. Only on that. Basically, allegations against bank, my lord. Not that here, my lord.
42? Who is appearing for 42?
Yes.
Any other subject?
Same, my lord, but anyway, Your Lordship. I am 41.
I don't
He is 40.
know, you are saying that as you have deposited only 2 lakhs.
2 lakhs he has paid to me, use this, use in
your
that.
account was.
Yes, madam. And nothing more much.
Hello, hello, here, my lord, two accused petition persons are 42, my lord. There are
2 petitioners.
2 accused petitioners, my lord. My lord, one is, my lord, in custody for 56 days, my lord. And another one, my
One
lord,
is for 56.
56
Name-
days,
tell us
number
the
one,
name.
my lord, Nozrul. And the Rahul Amin, my lord, he is in custody for
Nozrul.
Nozrul is 56 days, my lord. And the number 2, my lord,
Babul.
Rahul Amin, he is in custody for 47 days, my lord. Here, my lord, already learned senior counsel already submitted. My lord, here, if your lordship
Police
goes-
should ask further remand also, my lord. But 3 days after 2 days, police also they have given to judicial custody.
So, my
So
lord,
you were 2 days remand. Police remand.
yes.
3
But-
days.
They were thoroughly interrogated. My lord, here, my lord, basically, if your lordship goes through the FIR, my lord, bank employee, it was submitted. Basically, grievance was against the bank employees. Definitely, there are material against them, my lord. But possibly on that line, no investigation has been done, possibly, my lord. The grievance was be against the bank employees, my lord, banking question. And my lord, here, my lord, as already pointed out before, lordship, my lord, those sections, my lord, cheating and criminal breach of trust, my lord, both, my lord, entails, my lord, 7 years, my lord, maximum punishment. And here the forwarding report, my lord, we have annexed, my lord, there lordship find, my lord, that why it was not served, my lord. They stated that there was possibility of the accused fleeing from the place of occurrence, my lord. That is the ground statement. Because, my lord, lordship was section 41 and 41A both needs to be, my lord, complied, my lord. So here, my lord, 35 they have stated that there are materials, but why 35.3 was not, my lord, given, my lord, notice that they have stated, my lord, in page 25 in the forwarding report, lordship would find that, my lord. And, my lord, here, in the meantime, my lord, what happened, my lord, I have annexed that order, my lord, lordship would find from page 57, my lord, that the amount, my lord, total amount was, my lord, around, my lord, 3 crores plus, my lord. But in the meantime, my lord, lordship may kindly have a look at page 57, my lord. That substantial part, my lord, 2 crore 83 lakhs plus, my lord. That was, my lord, given custody to the informant.
What amount? 50?
57, my lord.
They given.
Right. So Jimma petition was filed, my lord. And that was, my lord, because all this amount were kept on hold, my lord. So it was, my lord, Jimma was given. And, my lord,
What now?
more substantial part. Substantial amount, my lord, already, my lord, given Jimma. And yeah, my lord, should I place those order? Not necessary, my lord, that 41, my lord, not evade and all 3 orders we have annexed, my lord, in POXO case and even in GST bio lordships, my lord, and even in PC Act, my lord, that evading and all, my lord, that has been highlighted in those, or I'm not, that is already annexed, my lord.
It is already here.
Yes, it is there, madam. So, my lord, here only the consider
So
the
now, Mr. Chaudhary has brought something that how he was connected. As
Yes.
for you, is there any
here, my
why
lord,
your names were there?
name there because, my lord, one happens to be one of the director of that where it was.
Company.
Yes, my lord, TMT, yes, my lord. And another, he is the relative, my lord, one Nozrul, my lord, number 1. He is in custody for 56 days. And so for the other person, he was there. But kindly see, my lord, that the amount could not be, my lord, was all the amount, my lord, it was never transferred to a different account. Normally what happens, my lord, when amount comes immediately, the amount is, my lord, transferred or, my lord, it is withdrawn, my lord. Here, luckily enough for the informant, my lord, that amount was there in the possibly 20 or 30 lakhs that could not be recovered. Others, my lord, most of the account, possibly it has been recovered. So now considering all aspect, my lord, and there is, my lord, definite and absolute violation of 35(3), my lord. And what they did, my lord, kindly see, in case of cybercrime, my lord, always there is a they incorporate this Information Technology Act, the section 66, because since they have alleged that it is a cyber fraud, but possibly that section should have been incorporated, but that was not done, and that section 66, that is a bailable offense. Now, only Lordship may consider the length of detention, and in fact, there is violation of 48 also, because in they have stated, we have annexed those, but whether it was received by the family members, that part is not here, Those two, 48 notices we have annexed, in the petition, subject to clarification by my learned colleague, whether it was served upon the family members, that we do not know, Possibly it has not been served, That notices are in page, 88, then 93. Those we have annexed, That it states, it was sent to the police station, but whether it was served upon the family member, that is not clear, And everything has been seized, Seizure list we have annexed, all documents, everything is seized. The further detention may not be required, Your investigation has progressed substantially, What should I consider the length of detention and the fact that substantial amount has been, recovered, and 35(3) not non-compliance,
Any further submission? You are on 40.
Lordship. Yes, 43 and 44, Lordship. Both are for 50 days, 56 days, Lordship. And Lordship, Aminul Haq is no way involved with the RTMT Credit Limited, Lordship. He is the brother of the Shahinur Khatun, elder brother of the Shahinur Khatun. That's why he is arrested. He is no way involved. Lordship. No amount was.
You are representing two petitioners.
Yes, Lordship.
They are in custody since
56 days, Lordship.
both of them.
Yes, Lordship. On the same day they were arrested. Lordship, considering the length of detention, Lordship.
And you are saying that they are not involved.
Yes.
My lord, here I have received the case diary, my lord. I have also gone to the record case diary. Here, my lord, what happened, my lord, Ruhul Amin, and some of the, my lord, are company, my director of the companies, my lord, that is RTM Credit Service. Director of RTMT Credit Service Nidhi Limited, madam. They have given loan and with interest, madam.
Who are basically the direct?
Ruhul Amin, madam.
Ruhul
Amin and 2-3 persons are, madam. They are the, madam, 21%. They are the director of, madam, RTMT Credit Service Nidhi Limited, madam.
No, Ruhul Amin is the director and others who are under.
Madam. Enter, madam.
Page 60.
Shahinur Khatun also, my lord, director of RTMT Credit Service.
Page 61 of the petition.
And now, what are the others' names?
Madam. Others is kind of Aminul and
No, Ruhul Amin is the director.
Madam. And Shahinur, madam.
Shahinur
also, madam. Shahinur Khatun.
She is also one of the.
Madam.
Yes, then.
Madam. Thereafter, they have, but director and they have started the company in 2022, madam. As name it is RTMT Credit Service Nidhi Limited, madam. They have taken loan through RTMT returns and with interest amount, my lord. What happened, my lord? They have generated one rule, I mean, along with the other accused person, my lord, they have generated e-mandate for transferring money, my lord.
Email.
E-mandate, my lord. E-mandate,
Email.
my lord. Generated e-mandate for transferring money. And rule, I mean, along with the other my lord, accused person conspire and transferred the whole amount, my lord, 3.28 crores, my lord, from the accused, from the complainant by generating e-mandate. E-mandate, my lord. It was term used, my lord. And other from the statement, my lord, it is revealed, my lord, and only, my lord, 2.83, my 2.83, 60.
2 crores, 82
My-
lakhs, 68,000, so and so has been.
It was, my lord, given Chimma, my lord, and 40 lakhs is yet to be recovered. 40 lakhs yet to be recovered, and some of the accused person are yet to be apprehended, my lord. Yes, Lordship may kindly parents issues with my lord. Lordship may kindly parents this statement when I have taken up. In that all of them are involved, my lord, in this transfer of my lord, huge amount, my lord, and 40 lakhs is yet to be recovered, my lord. It is a huge bank transaction, my lord, by generating e-mandate. My lord, here I have taken my lord one rule, I mean, my lord, along with some officials, my lord, just videography was done, my lord, how they have prepared the e-mandate, my lord, for transferring them in. What one interesting point is that there is not necessarily OTP also, my lord, for transferring the money, my lord. They have transferred from their complaints, my lord, accounts, my lord, without OTP, my lord. They said in their statement, my lord, and one videography was made, my lord, along with their rule, I mean, my lord, how they have generated the e-mandate for transferring the amount. Lordship, kindly page the statement, my lord. All of them involved, my lord. All the accused persons are involved.
That was their modus operandi.
My lord,
That was their modus operandi.
my lord, my lord, my lord. And one to this is also verify in which accounts how many amounts is there, my lord. That part also there, my lord. Some of the accused person. And one of the accused person find that there is a amount 3.28 crores, my lord. Then they have taken the target, my lord. That will find
Yes,
out.
one in the account
My
of one.
my lord, that.
So
And-
that account was lying there for a considerable period.
My lord, that.
Then they planned that that account can be.
May taken, my lord. Then generated the e-mandate, and before freezing the my lord accounts, my lord, Ruhul Amin taken 9.5 lakhs, Sohidul Islam 15 lakhs, and Sohidul Islam 5 lakhs. In that statement, like that. They're already equal.
Anyway, what is the state of the case at present?
Madam.
Still under investigation.
Investigation, my lord. Here, my lord, some of the witnesses are yet to, some of the accused persons are yet to be, my lord, arrested, and
Because,
40 lakhs rupees.
Some
fine.
of some of the accused persons are behind the bar in last 56 days.
56 days, man.
So is there any probability of, I will go through the case today,
Fine.
but I'm just asking whether any probability is there for this filing of the charges within 340. Is there? Because we have submitted it still under progress, I mean, still under investigation. That's why that's otherwise I'll verify case record what is the progress. So as per you, all these petitions are fully involved in that.
And 40 lakhs, which is yet to be recovered. Madam. Here, my strong objection, madam, in this regard, madam. Here, although length of detention, madam, it is not a ground, madam, in such a judgment. And regarding the madam, 35 my which council said, madam, 35 there is madam, checklist is there, madam. It is not necessary that in each and every case, madam, 35 is given, madam, notice, madam, but checklist there.
Mr. Todori has submitted that they made some sort of explanation.
Right. But checklist is, I have checked, madam, that the checklist is there for each and every person. Under
Checklist is
35, 35.
My lord, can I add just one line, my lord, because here, my lord,
Yes.
my lord, here, my lord, what he has submitted, my lord, regarding checklist. Checklist may be there, but why it was not served, that is to be looked into. Because, my lord, evading, my lord, the he'll run away, fled away, that cannot be a ground, my lord. That single line they have stated in
Yes, we have
case.
submitted on.
Yes.
Possibility of the accused.
And
They
there
may
are,
playing up.
yes, and there are, my lord, exactly same line, my lord, this honorable court has held, my lord, that it cannot be, my lord. So it was a case of, Lord, you may kindly see later on, my lord, page 64, my lord. It was case of CBI, my lord, under PC Act, my lord. So that ground was taken that the accused would, my lord, could evade, my lord, arrest, my lord. So that ground was negated by this honorable court. And under similar circumstances, my lord, lordship's order is also there in, my lord, that GST case, my lord, that also we have annexed, and another case under POXO. Because, my lord, here compliance of 41 and 41A both, all the judgments, lordship already seen those, my lord, there has to be compliance of 41 and 41A. Here checklist is there 41. But regarding why 41A was not served, now 35.3, that has to be there. And evading, that cannot be a ground with my limited understanding, my lord. And one notation, not necessary, my lord. Even now, my lord, Honorable High Court has also sent to all the district courts, my lord, that it should be followed. Should I place it? Not necessary, my lord.
It can,
My lord. And everything has
can
been,
be played.
well, I'll give you. And my lord, everything has been seized 56 days in custody. And my lord, they have done something. It is a fact, my lord. And they have got sufficient time for investigation, my lord. And they possibly they did not win. My lord, bank, my lord, possibly there may be something, my lord. Because without the connivance of those, possibly it cannot be done.
It is CD to be possible.
Otherwise, they may be, my lord, some genius, my lord. They have done these things. So kindly consider the length of detention, my lord. And no further custody was called, and hugs must short, my lord, and they are laying, they are in the jail, my
You're
lord.
submitting that after your release demand.
Yes,
No further custody.
yes, yes. And my lord, and they were never interrogated in judicial custody. My lord. Much okay.
My lord, in 45 days.
Your one left. So I'll just ask him that he is representing the both 43 and 44.
No, no.
You are on 40?
41, my senior has.
Yes, he already submitted.
Custody is 45 days.
Oh, it was wrongly submitted.
44 days.
It is actually 44.
45 days.
45.
I think 41, my lord, they are in.
No,
custody
he
of
submitted 44 days, actually
Yes.
45 days.
Yes. Oh. And from my counting, it is 44 days.
Your petitioner, dear Mr. Chaudhary's petitioner's name is?
Salman
Salman.
Hussain, my lord. He was arrested on my lord, 14/6 and forwarded on 15/6.
Of. একেলগে লৈ দিয়া। টেম্পাৰ দিব and with the case then. চিডিও দিব, চিডি চাব লগা। চাব লগা আছে, পাৰিলে কৰি দিব।
May I please, Your Lordship? My lord, this is regular bail application, my lord. We are behind the bar since 67 days, my lord. Out of the same forwarding report, one of the accused persons granted bail by your lordship, my lord, by order dated 23/7/2025 after 59 days. What do you have?
Have you any media order?
23/7 by order date 23/7, my lord. So far the allegation, my lord, section 305 and 3314 will not come against us, my lord. Lurking house trespass will not come against us, my lord. Otherwise, section 317(2) will come, 317(2) will come against us, my lord. That is 60 days, mandatory period is 60 days, my lord. Yes, because we are the father and brother of the main accused person, Jahangir Ali, my lord.
You are the?
Amsir Ali and Babul Ali.
Who are you? You are?
We are the father and brother of a main accused person, Jahangir.
Jahangir.
Jahangir. FIR is at page number 12, the relevant portion is at page number 12. Amsir Ali and Babul Ali, my lord. One Rahman Mullik, my lord. Forwarding report is page number 13, my lord. He has already been granted bail after 59 days.
And here we have not received that case there, man.
Is there not?
Not received.
So, my lord, kindly link up it.
Yeah, how where from you are saying that Jahangir is the main accused?
My lord, kindly page number 16, my lord. For a moment, paragraph second paragraph. After registering the case, the IO arrested some persons, including the accused Amsir Ali and Babul Ali. During investigation, it was revealed the accused Jahangir Ali was actively involved with the incident. During investigation, police was also recovered good amount of stolen money, but yet to recover the entire amount of money. It is revealed that accused Amsir Ali and Babul Ali purchased vehicle and movable properties allegedly with the stolen property. Police yet to arrest the accused Jahangir Ali. Now, my lord, forwarding report, my lord, kindly for a moment, page number 13, ground of arrest, my lord. Sufficient evidence has been found against accused persons and confessed they are guilty of committing the offence that the accused Jahangir Ali has given his father, namely Amsir Ali, rupees 20 lakhs for purchasing the land.
20 lakhs,
Accused,
20 crores.
no, 20, not 20 crores. Allegation is 2 crores. 20 lakhs.
2 crores.
This is 20 lakhs for purchasing the land.
2 crores allegation.
2 crores.
Here, minor, it is page 13, minor.
Yes. 20 lakhs. This is 20 lakhs. Not 20.
No, here in the words also it is rupees 2 crores.
No. Allegation is 2 crores to 20 lakhs.
Allegation is
20 lakhs. Allegation is 2 crores. My lord, page number 13, ground of error, second ground. My lord, the accused Amsir Ali has purchased a plot of land measuring 1 inch lesser from Khalil Ali of
Your
Khuda
petitioner
Flower.
is in custody since when?
67 days. We are behind 24/5, arrested on 24/5, my lord. Only allegation will come receiving stolen property. That is 60 days mandated.
If stolen property is there, it is imprisoned for
Only
life.
receiving.
The other one got paid, in fact, this for he was only the driver, in fact.
Mild.
Other way may not be involved.
Mild. Consider the length of detention.
Yes.
My lord, here, although city was called for, my lord, we have not received the case diary today, my lord. And regarding the involvement,
কোনটো section? কোনটো লাগে? Earlier for 57, now 3314.
my lord, here, my lord, 4 subsection 4, my lord, 3314, my lord. Whoever commits lighting, house trespass, or house breaking after sunset and before sunrise, in order to commit an offense punishable with imprisonment, shall be punished with imprisonment, which may extend to 5 years and shall also be liable for fine. And if the offense intended to be committed is theft,
then 14 years.
the term of imprisonment may be extended to 14 years.
So that's understood. I'm just asking, they have provided us the other copy. This was there in against this petitioner, lacking his was not, I mean, he's not implicated in that section
Minor.
because he was a driver, he was waiting outside.
Minor.
But these petitioners I cannot say. That's why I asked whether there is involvement, what to do. This 7 days.
My lord, so far as the my lord ground of arrest, my lord, this is clear that we are the father and brother of the main accused Jahangir, who was involved in locking test house test.
My lord, then
So
not
this section will not
fixed-
come again.
fixed on Friday, my lord.
It's Friday,
Friday.
Friday first. She did not receive based on one. Because other one we have considered that he was the co-driver, he was waiting outside. But here you are the brother, father, or whatever. Whether you're involved with, whether you have trespassed, the house trespass was there, that is.
Minor.
It will come from state.
Date.
My lord. 30.
No, no, one.
First of all.
1st of August.
Hallelujah.
After 1.5 years of granting interim bail, my lord, this idea has come, my lord. The case on the face of it is false case, my lord, because the person who has lodged a azar, that his land has been sold by somebody else, my lord, he sold it long back and it was mutated, and on that basis, my lord, interim was granted. My lord, the salaried and this mutation is also there. And he filed a suit as well as injunction petition. Ultimately, no injunction was granted and suit was withdrawn ultimately.
Withdrawn by him.
Him. I think it's there, man.
While passing the interim order, there was an observation that.
Yes. This cell deed,
CSP
man.
will list.
Yes. This is the cell deed. This is the registered cell deed and mutation order is also there in the
But
last.
against you, what was the allegation?
Well,
Against you, what was the allegation?
no, my allegation is this person has sold to me that the purchaser of this deed, my lord.
You are the purchaser.
I am the purchaser.
You are the purchaser.
That is the allegation. My lord, the suit was also withdrawn. Nothing there, my lord.
Suit already withdrawn.
Withdrawn.
And in
My lord,
regards to your cooperation, have you cooperated?
Yes, yes, my lord, we have appeared, my lord, and we have done it. This is not a case, my lord, where custodial witness. The suit number TS 30423, my lord. TS 30423, we take case number 310 of 23. That was withdrawn.
PS 2030.
304 of 23. Yes. That we should. File goes there.
So you want to say that you are the genuine purchaser?
Yes.
24 is the purchaser. What about 25?
It's, well, both are same, my lord. He is my,
No. Yes, I mean,
my lord,
they are
25 is the,
purchaser.
25 has purchased, my lord. He is the person who, they have. Yes, yes. It's a company, my lord.
Acha, company.
That, injunction petition also I have annexed, my lord, at page 26.
Yes, Mr.
Otherwise, I am not aware about those pending civil cases, my lord. This is, but from the, my lord, case diary, my lord, this is, cannot be said that this is a false case. I would just like to point out, my lord, I am not, only point out, my lord, what are the materials, my lord, against the accused person, you know, from the case diary, because I am not aware about pendency of any civil case and what order has been passed by the, my lord, trial court regarding those civil cases, my lord. Here, my lord, petitioner number 1 is, my lord, Bihari Lal Sharma. And petitioner number 2 and 25 is one Manoj Kumar Agarwal. And my lord, here, also case report, what I have found in the case diary, my lord. Here, my lord, the petitioner number 1, my lord, original owner of the land is one Satish Kalita, my lord.
Petitioner 1?
One Satish Kalita, my lord. Who is the complainant, my lord? He has lost this FIR. And from the record, my lord, there are documents in the case record, my lord, which itself, my lord, reveal that he is the original owner of the land. And now, my lord, behind his back, my lord, what happened? 3 sale deeds were, my lord, the allegation in the FIR that 3 sale deeds were executed, and those sale deeds were forged. Now, my lord, during investigation, my lord, lot of things, my lord, the police investigated, my lord, collected all those documents and many other things, my lord. Also arrested, also, my lord, the statement of the petitioner number, item number 25, Manoj Kumar Agarwala, my lord. Here, my lord, seller is one. Seller is the, my lord, company, my lord. That name of the company is the, my lord.
Purchaser,
my lord. And my lord, that purchaser is the represented by one Bhimkanto Das. And my lord, seller is one Virendra Mohan Das. And my lord, who is Manoj Kumar Agarwala? Manoj Kumar Agarwala is the manager of the company, my lord, Rajsekhar Construction Private Limited. Who is, my lord, who is the main, actually the seller of the, my lord, the entire land? Now, during investigation, my lord, surprisingly, who is Bhim?
Rajsekhar company is Rajsekhar Enterprise.
Rajsekhar, my lord, Constructions Private Limited. The managing director is, my lord, Manoj Kumar Agarwal. That is petitioner number, item number 25. Who is the petitioner in item number 25? Behind the back of the original owner, Satish Kalita, 3 sale deeds were executed. Executed where, my lord, seller is one Virendra Mohan Das, and purchaser is, my lord, one Bhimkanto Das, who representing the company of the accused. Those sale deeds are available in the case. While, my lord, statement recorded of the Manoj Kumar Agarwala, who is the managing director.
You're saying that one Satish Kalita is the
original owner of the land. Behind his back, my lord.
Behind his back, 3 sale deeds were executed.
Yes, my lord.
And the seller was one Dhirendra Kumar, Dhirendra Mohan Das.
Virendra Mohan Das. This is the, my lord. He who purchased, my lord, is long back.
Who executed all these or what?
All these.
But those who is Dhirendra Mohan Das, who is, my lord, Bhimkanto Das, representing the company of the accused.
The company purchase or sale?
Company purchase, my lord. Seller is Dhirendra Mohan Das, my lord. Seller is Dhirendra Mohan Das. Those sale deeds were executed between Dhirendra Mohan Das, seller,
And purchaser is, my lord, the company represented by Bhimkanta Das. And who is Bhimkanta Das, my lord? Not yet traceable. He is an employee of the, my lord, from the statement of Manoj Kumar Agarwala, it reveals that he is one of the employee of Bhimkanta Das, but the Manoj Kumar Agarwal failed to, my lord, trace those who is Bhimkanta. Police also, my lord, did not find any clue about who is Bhimkanta Das from the statement of Manoj Kumar Agarwala. And who is Dhirendra Mohan Das, my lord, actually seller, my lord. Both persons, my lord, Bhimkanta Das and Dhirendra Mohan Das not yet traceable, not yet identified. And Manoj Kumar Agarwala, in his statement also, he failed to, my lord, identify these persons. And Manoj Kumar Agarwala, who is Manoj Kumar Agarwala? He is the, my lord, managing director of the company. Behind the back of the entire, my lord, purchasing of the entire land is Manoj Kumar Agarwala. And who is, my lord, Bihari, my lord, present item number 24, that is Bihari Lal Sharma, my lord. Here, my entire land, my lord, which is, my lord, the land agreement executed between the parties, that land falls under tribal belt and block. And, my lord, at the time of execution of the agreement, who is Bihari Lal Sharma, my lord? Bihari Lal Sharma is also one of the employee of Manoj Kumar Agarwala. Here, my lord, from the case diary, it reveals that at the time of, my lord, applying for the sale permission, my lord, Bihari Lal Sharma, my lord, along with the buyer, my lord, Dhirendra Mohan Das, submitted an affidavit before the, my lord, authority, declaring that the land does not fall under tribal belt and block. And signature of the Bihari Lal Sharma is there in that affidavit, in that declaration. And later on, during, my lord, investigation, it reveals that who is Bihari Lal Sharma? Bihari Lal Sharma is also an employee of the Manoj Kumar Agarwala. That is, my lord, Rajsekhar Construction Private Limited. But here in the case diary, my lord, statement of whether he is traceable or not, my lord, because statement of Bihari Lal Sharma is not there in the case diary, but statement of Manoj Kumar Agarwala, my lord, is available. And both those persons, my lord, who executed 3 sale deeds, my lord, and on the basis of those sale deeds, my lord, the company of the Manoj Kumar Agarwala purchased those lands from the, my lord, Virendra Mohan Das, both seller, purchaser, and the Bhimkanta Das representing the company of the Manoj Kumar Agarwala, my lord, not yet identified. And Manoj Kumar Agarwala also failed to, my lord, provide police the detailed name and addresses of the, my lord, Bhimkanta Das, who has, in fact, my lord, executed the agreement as a purchaser on behalf of the company Manoj. So this is the case, my lord, and the voluminous case diary, how these persons, my lord, in connivance with some other persons involved in, my lord, executing all these forced sale deed, and behind the back of the original owner, Satish Kolita, how these, my lord, agreements were, my lord, executed between the parties. And, my lord, ultimately, when the original owner came to know about all these, my lord, then he lost this affair, my lord, then entire thing, my lord, comes to light. So this is the case.
My lord, while a statement was recorded, we have provided this sale deed executed by Satish Kalita in favor of Dhirendra Mohan Das. And the mutation, I do not understand, my lord, how he original owner, he was there, but he sold it in 81 itself. Now, how he can, my lord, Satish Kalita, the informant. That is the sale deed, my lord.
No, Satish Kalita executed the sale deed in favor of whom?
Dhirendra Mohan Das.
Dhirendra Mohan.
Yes, and
But
Dhirendra Mohan Das
is not traceable.
my lord?
Dhirendra Mohan Das is not traceable now.
No, that is another aspect. Well, they can trace it out, my lord. That is another aspect. But Dhirendra Mohan Das purchased it, and his name is mutated. Everything is there, my lord. Address is there.
Dhirendra Mohan Das is.
Dhirendra Mohan Das, my lord.
Dhirendra Mohan, let them, my lord. So far, the petitioners are concerned, my lord. They have already appeared, my lord. They have got their statement recorded, my lord. I don't think, my lord, this is a case, my lord. So far, they have purchased it on the basis of
These petitions are in interim bail since more than 1 year.
1.5 years.
Case is pending since long. Yes.
More than 1.5 years. Also.
Yes.
Well, regarding granting of bail or not, custodial interest, I will leave it to your lordship. But I am just pointing out. Yes, I am just pointing out the materials that how these persons are, my lord. Already earlier, there are lots of land matters, your lordship. How these persons are involved in, my lord, this, my lord, preparation of involved in preparing all these fake sale deeds, my lord. And my lord, the Bhimkanto Das, who is representing the company, the present petitioner also failed to, my lord, produce that person, my lord, before the police, my lord. Now a person in whose name the land has been purchased by the company, now that in fact that person, at least, my lord, the petitioner could have produced him before the, my lord, police, my lord. He is Bhimkanto Das, my lord. Who is Dhirendra Mohan Das, my lord? Now also, my lord, he is also not yet traceable, my lord. So everything behind the back of the original petitioner, so my lord, prima facie it reveals that in connivance of the present petitioners, my lord, everything will happen, my lord. So
But the-
otherwise, further custodial detention case is pending since long. But I am just trying to point out that this is not a false case, and my lord, one civil case is pending, because in all these cases, what happened by manipulating all these government records, those records were produced before the civil court, and my lord, in many cases, in that manner, my lord, these accused person, my lord, successfully obtained order, because what learned civil court ultimately called for the records of the, my lord, from the sub-registrar's office, my lord, and those records are manipulated. On the basis of those manipulated records, my lord, sometimes order has been passed, my lord. This is the fact, my lord.
Civil court has been withdrawn by the, civil case has been withdrawn.
So this is otherwise further custody case is pending since long. I also want to, my lord, send back the case there. So regarding that, further custodial detention may not be necessary, but my lord, I am just pointing out what is the my case.
Mr. Quoted correctly. 24 into Mr. Ian Sullivan, Assistant Senior Learned Soldier.
K. Bhattacharya.
K. Bhattacharya. K. Bhattacharya. Declaring the copy of the petition. Mr. P. Potter, Learned Additional PP, appearing on behalf of students. This is an application. And section so in connection. It is submitted, CD receipt. It is submitted by Mr. Sahib, copy for the petition. That the present two petitioners are innocent and they are not at all involved in the alleged. This is for the submitted that the as per you, you are the purchaser. No. You
My
are
lord,
not
the company is the purchaser, my lord, I am the.
that the company of the petitioners actually purchased the land from one. You have purchased from one Dhirendra Mohan Das by executing the sale deed.
It will help your lordship.
Further, it is submitted by Mr. Sahavala that after obtaining the order of interim bail as well on 19/1/2020, both the petitioners have already appeared before the I cooperated in the investigation and their cooperated in investigation. Further, he submitted that the one civil suit was filed by the complainant, but subsequently that has been withdrawn, which was numbered as TS number 304/2024 by the complainant. If Mr. Sahavala for the submitted of the contents of the FIR and the materials, it is seen that the case is of civil in nature and a party may approach the civil forum. But both the petitioners are still ready and willing to cooperate the I in further investigation of this case if they are granted with the privilege. Mr. Waterford, Learned Petition PP submitted in this regard that from the materials available in the case diary, it reveals that one Satish Kalita was the original owner of the land, and behind his back, without his knowledge, and behind his back, 3 cell deeds were executed, which were stated to be forged. It further submitted that it is as per the it is stated that the Bhimkanto Das, representing the company, namely purchaser company, Rajesh Construction.
Rajsekhar Construction Private Limited.
Representing the company, namely Rajsekhar Construction.
Private Limited.
Rajsekhar Construction Private Limited had had purchaser from Dhirendra
Mohan Das.
purchaser of land from one Dhirendra Mohan Das, but surprisingly, both the Dhirendra Mohan Das and Bhimkanta Das is not traceable, and the petitioners also could not identify those persons and could not give any detail about those persons who is stated to be the seller and purchaser of the land. Also, it is submitted by Mr. Waterford that one affidavit is also sworn by said Bhimkanta Das and
No.
was RL
No, Dhiren Chandra Parshedar and my lord Bihari Lal Sharma. That is
also behind
that affidavit. Dhirendra Mohan Das and Bihari Lal Sharma. my lord.
Dhirendra Mohan said Dhirendra Mohan Das and the
By
petitioner
declaring
Bihari Lal Sharma also executed an affidavit declaring that the
Land does not-
land does not belong to the tribal belt. Thus, it is submitted by Mr. Waterford that there are some fraud has been played in executing those sale deeds in favor of one Bhimkanta Das, which were stated to be shown to be executed by one Dhirendra Mohan Das. However, he submitted that petitioners have cooperated in the investigation, but regarding the pendency of any civil suit was not known, or it is not reflected in his hearing the submission made when unaccounted for both sides, considering all metrics is there, it would seem that some incrimination is there against the present petitioners, but it seems that both the petitioners are on interim period since 19/1/2024, and they are extending their cooperation. At the same time, it is also seen that the case may be of civil nature, and the civil suit was also filed to that regard, which was subsequently withdrawn by the complainant himself. Considering all these aspects of the case, I find that custodial interrogation will be present to petitioner. Two petitioners present petitioners may not be required for the interest in the investigation. However, they are directed to extend their cooperation in the further investigation of this case, and accordingly, the order of interim period will granted to the petitioner both in 19/1 19/1/2024 is hereby made absolute with same conditions.
Much better.
My lord, in respect of item number 47, my lord, supplementary list, my lord. Lord, I am very sorry, my lord, it's a matter of only a correction, my lord. Today is the second day it has been listed, my lord, not be taken up, my lord. Only, my lord, that the statement had been made from my behalf that he is an ASU leader. But, my lord, in fact, he is not an ASU leader, he is a social activist, my lord. They said Jorhat town. I think, my lord, in other connected cases, the case.
Still, Yes, it will change the entire thing, I think.
How submission?
It cannot be, I think.
If they are
You may, if it is ASU leader and activity, it may not
cannot
be.
be changed. If they are typographical error, that can be changed.
No, it's not the typography.
Not the
No, no,
typography,
Milord, it is
submission,
a,
madam.
Milord,
Let's do one thing otherwise. Let the, that said AB, this, AB as well as I may be withdrawn and you may file. a
Madam, press me.
Was there any interim?
no, no, Milord, in the pleading, Milord, in the main bail application, and Milord, there is no such pleading regarding that ASU leader is there. It was only my verbal submission, Milord, on that day I made, Milord. That's why, Milord,
It was only a verbal submission.
verbal submission, Milord. It is
That it
not,
was recorded or what?
it was recorded, Milord. It was recorded. On
It is
instruction, my lord.
On recording that your verbal submission, suppose is there any interim was granted? to you?
Interim granted. Interim granted.
In that case, what do you want to say?
My lord, because my lord, only the issue is that his, but other part, my lord, which my
Who
lord
passed
said,
the order?
my lordship, my lordship.
Maybe to say.
Only that, because my lord, otherwise I as a personally, my lord, maybe some trouble, my lord. My lord, the order starts at page 9, annexure 1, my lord.
So now you want to say that he is a
Social activist, my lord, of the area, my lord.
What do you want to say?
My submission is that already it was recorded, madam.
No,
That submission was already recorded. He has made submission on the basis of my ASU, my lord.
My lord.
That's why,
Way to change
whatever it
it,
may be
yo.
or not may be, my lord, interim was granted to him. Then, thereafter he said that it was not, he was not the ASU member.
My lord, what has happened, it
This
is
the
my
submission,
mistake, my
my
lord.
lord.
It is
And
my,
how the submission can be changed, my lord? If there is a typographical error, my lord, that lordship may modify or
no, my
correct
lord,
it,
in
my
the
lord.
pleadings, my lord, of the
My lord.
submission, sometime, my lord,
My
we commit some mistakes, my lord. As a council, my lord.
Cannot be, my lord.
So otherwise, you are on interims, I mean,
Interim, my lord.
next date is of 20/08/2025.
My lord. Because
No need for any just thing, I think, suppose in that case, if the CD comes and we will see to the contents of the CD and all.
my lord, my lord.
If on the merit of the case, if you are affected, then matter may be different, but otherwise, if you may be a isolator doing some
Or a social
action,
activist. No, my lord, they,
and maybe a social activities also you may involve in this settling the matter and all.
my lord. No, my
Those
lord,
were
my lord, my submission was that, my lord, being an ASU leader, I tried to amicably settle the parties.
that is the submission.
That was the submission, and only thing, not as a ASU, as a social, actually he is a social activist of the area, my lord. So that mistake on instruction, my lord, I have committed. My lord, I am fairly submitting before my lord. My lord. So, my lord, sometimes such thing may happen as a human being, my lord. So I am only praying, my lord, that this line may be replaced with, my lord, as a social activist. I don't think, my lord, that the, my lord, will change the nature and character of the, my lord, this order, my lord.
Submission, yeah, definitely, yeah, as they have submitted is.
No, no,
then
I
mistake is
can
part.
understand.
That can be submission. I also otherwise I think that that they may not matter in your
May
case.
not affect,
That
my
is,
lord.
my lord,
If
that
there
is
is
not
any-
what the apprehension of the
Interim was
petitioner is
given,
that, my lord, if we go by this, I mean, the ASU boy will, my lord, behind him. The
That
ASU
is the
other
matter, that
leadership
is
may
the
behind
matter.
him in Jorhat district, my lord. That is he is apprehending, my lord. Because why you have used our name, that type of, my lord,
But
dispute,
I cannot.
my lord. Then, my lord, can, with an observation, can dismiss my IA, my lord. Not today, my lord, or some, as the time is running out, I don't want to trouble my lordship. My lord, then on, I will file an affidavit to that extent, my lord. My senior friend is suggesting me that this is the mistake.
I don't know whether I don't know what will be the
My lord.
solution or otherwise. this I may be disposed of with, or rejected or disposed of with that observation that your submission, in regards to your submission, you made a prayer for this alteration. That
My
much
lord.
only can be made in the I. Or you think about it, if you want to submit any other affidavit and all, then
Then
that
my
will
lord,
be
on some other day on the 2 days. my lord.
the request made. But these 2 weeks, we are really, but have you appeared before the IO?
That is the problem, my lord. I have not appeared. Today is the last day of appearance, my lord. So 10 days time is going to be expired today, so we are expecting that, my lord, as this that can it be extended, my lord, for another 2-3 days?
That another thing will be.
Right.
For extension of period, that may be considered.
My lord.
So to an IA, you may file one.
For extension.
For extension.
My lord.
2 days, tomorrow's list is already out. It's maybe on 1st of August. 1st of August, you make a submission regarding this, and in that I itself, your submission may be made, because you are not in a position to appear because of those mistakes.
Those mistakes.
That can be reflected in the I.
My lord. My lord.
So on 1st of August, we are fixing it on 1st of August. You see it.
My lord.
Lordship, on behalf of the item number 46, my lord, in this case, IA has been filed to extension of the time for appearance before the IO, my lord. My lord, next date is fixed on tomorrow, my lord. Next date is fixed.